is CS Trades 101. How's everybody doing today? So, anyways, let's get some streams keys set up here like we always do, guys. Let's get ready for Monday. Got a lot to talk about today. Starts a little bit loud in here. I got this fan on me. I'm just dying in this YouTube studio here. So give me a minute to set some stream keys up here, and we're gonna jump on in here in a minute here. Kevin, how's it going, brother? How you doing? First come on the chat bar. So just give me a minute here, guys. Set up some software here. We're just gonna jump over to Reddit and log on to Reddit here and rock this shit out today. Okay, just let me get a stream key set up on Twitter and Reddit. Wham! Done. Oh, I see a bunch of people. Sorry, I gotta get hard a bunch of people here. Somebody's on. Oh, Jackson, Hunter, thumbs up, brother. Okay, let's get out of Twitter. Boom. Me again. Hello there from Lake Lochinor. Hey guys, how you doing? So, holding on for the squeeze, man. I'm holding tight. Can't you see? Look at all the cut marks from the diamonds. So yeah. Thanks to everybody for joining me here tonight. Just having some drinks. I just got back from a huge camping trip, as you guys probably know because you watch the videos and stuff. I just had to shoot a podcast as soon as I walked in the door. I had to shoot a part 2 for you guys, and I'm drinking on my girly cup, so that's good luck. You know, having some rum and coke, just to kind of ease down from the camping trip. So guys, what's on your minds? Are you guys all ready? Did you hit the notification bells? Are you guys all ready for the terror of all squeezes of squeezes? Okay. Okay, so we got enough people on here now. There's a handful of people on here now. We're gonna get more and more. This will probably get pretty busy, guys. So I'm just gonna go through AMC on after hours. We're at par, $33 across the board, straight up, guys. We're gonna bang this out of the park Monday. Andrew, what's up, brother? I hope it breaks through loose soon too, man. Hey, if we have to wait any more months, it doesn't cost us anything. It's all free, my friend. It is what it is. No, I'm just joking with you. I'm in the same category as you, man. I'm sitting on millions and millions of dollars, okay? So I know how it is. I know how it is, guys. I know exactly how it is. I'm just looking at some after hour here. So yeah, it's going up a little bit. We're up 0.92%. That's before the clock won't start clicking again until about Pacific Standard Time, about 3 in the morning, and then we'll start hitting after hours again. It'll open back up the stock market for after hours, and then she'll slide into back into the market again. So I just want to say thank you for all the new subs and awesome stuff, guys. We're keeping the shit real on this channel, and obviously we only want the people that are keeping it real, and I see you guys are keeping it real. Thanks for all the good comments and stuff. Thanks for keeping it professional. I really appreciate that, and so do all the other people on here. There's a lot of AFs on here, original wolves. Okay, they're the old OGs of the channel, and there's a whole bunch of them on here. Dave, how you doing? Ready for the squeeze? Damn rates, man. We got more than one. Okay, what I wanted to get into is I wanted to talk about some stuff here about the squeezes. There's more than one squeeze here, guys. Nothing's gonna smash like AMC though. Okay, when we're talking about multiple squeezes, I'm not gonna get into price predicaments. Okay, I do not answer prices. The country I'm from, in Canada, it is highly illegal. It's 7 to 15 years in jail for talking about coercion. It's coercing somebody into prices and to buying stuff. It's highly illegal up here. I have no part of it. Okay, that's not what this channel's about. Okay, you guys looking at my videos, you can do your own DD on that. There's tons of knowledge out there. It's pretty easy to figure out what the stock's going to go to. Okay, so just put it this way, we're all millionaires. Okay, so take it from there. I've already showed you how to crunch the numbers. If you go back into my videos, we like I said, we have 5 to 6 billion shares that are synthetics. Okay, we already know that. So just take it from there. Okay, times 4.1 million, and that was June. 4.1 million. They about 6-7 million now worth of apes, wolves, whatever you want to call yourself, right? So it is what it is, right? So those are the numbers. Will Monday be? I don't know, man. My crystal ball died. It just won't light up anymore. No, I don't know. I'm the same as you guys. The statistics, who knows? They're probably going to keep on driving this down. Here's what I'm going to say. I'm going to say that they're going to keep on attacking us every way possible. These new laws got to come in effect. Okay, we're on stage 4 right now of those laws. Okay, like it's already gone. It's the SEC, the DCC has already voted for it. Okay, it's already got approved. Okay, through their voting process. It's already gone in the public eyes. The public has to see it. It's already gone to that stage. Now it has to go in front of a judge. Okay, that's what we're waiting for, and then it goes to the president to sign. Okay, or president's council to sign. Okay, and then it's official law. As soon as he pulls his pen, actually it's a stamp now, but as soon as he signs the document or his council signs the document, within the next day it is law. Okay, so that's what we're waiting for. Okay, I don't know when that's going to happen. They do have a rush on this, though. I know that for a fact. They got a big problem on this, and they're saying a controlled squeeze. That's being misconstrued a lot of ways. Okay, I am 100% for this controlled. It's the only way we're going to get paid. Okay, so when they say controlled, that a lot of people are right on that. A lot of people are misleading on this. Okay, they think controlled, they're going to be controlling the money. No, it's not like that. They're controlling the hedge funds. They're controlling this crap with all this synthetics. They're controlling those guys, not us. It's a free for all. When this thing goes, they're not gonna do anything to it, except there's breakers that are in set that are been there on the market forever. We're gonna set a couple. We're gonna smashing breakers all the way. Guaranteed, we're gonna be hitting breakers. What we don't want is a cool down period for 30 to 60 days. That's what we don't want. Sorry, Rose Pig Cookin'. I just mentioned that I can't get into that. I can't discuss that, bro. It's hurting. I can't do that on my channel. I can't give you guys any figures on what this is going to be, how much it's going to be, how much your shares are worth, all that kind of stuff. We can't do that, man. I would get sued so fast, I would be in jail for the rest of my life with all the lawsuits that would hit me. So, anyways, all I can do is give you guys the DD. I can give you the tools to do that. I've already given you guys the tools. It's 6 billion, 5 to 6 billion, right? Synthetics. Say 7 million, I'd say about, it was 4.1 million before. We're at 7 million roughly, apes, wolves, whatever you want to call it, traders. We'll call yourself traders. That's more professional. Okay, traders. So just do the math on that. You should be able to figure it out. I figured it out. My calculator doesn't go that high. Okay, my calculator shut it. What it's going to happen is it's going to be the mother of all squeezes for sure, guys, for sure. We are looking at a substantial amount of multi-millionaires for generations, okay? And that's all I can really say because that's common knowledge, right? We all know that. Okay, let me, I just want to read through your comments like I always do, right? Okay, David, you ready for the squeeze? Russell, how you doing, Russell? Welcome to the channel. I haven't seen you here before. There's a couple of you. Mimi again, I haven't seen. Welcome to the channel. Andrew, you've been here before, I'm pretty sure. The catalyst to set the squeeze off, Russell. The laws. The laws are going to do it. And what did I read the other day that might set it off? Oh, share buyback. They're thinking about buying these shares back. Okay, not the hedge funds. They're actually calling. They're gonna try. I don't know if it's true. They're wanting to recall all the shares back. Okay, that will start a squeeze like just now, within seconds. Okay, and I don't know how. I don't know anything about it. Okay, I tried to find some DD on it. One of the tubers covered it. Very vague. I couldn't find anything on it, so I don't even know if it's true or if it was clickbait. And I'm not going to say whose channel because we don't do that. We don't put other channels down here. So, Okay, Marzina. I am stronger by the minute. Holding for 6 months. Don't care about the dips anymore. Bring it on, AMC. Same here. Same here. I've been holding since January. I do own the actual gold shares. Anything from January to March are actually real shares. The rest are synthetics, which don't mean anything, guys. If you own synthetics, I don't own them. I own the real shares, but it doesn't mean anything. They're still worth the same thing. Don't let anybody tell you different, okay? Don't listen to all that crap, okay? It's all crap, okay? A lot of the people are after clickbait, okay? So be careful of all that stuff. The shares are worth what the shares are worth, okay? You bought them through a reputable broker, they're worth what they are. What I've always been saying is when you buy shares, and I'm allowed to say this, okay, I've already talked to legal aspects on this. I'm allowed to talk about this stuff, okay? I buy through a bank. I would recommend if I was you to buy through a bank when you're buying shares from now on, guys, okay? Because if one of these companies go bankrupt and stuff, the insurance covers it, but they only cover so much, okay? Same as on your car. Oh, sorry guys, I just had a pop-up. I'm starting to get a whole bunch of pop-up here. A bunch of people want to monetize, Bitcoin wants to monetize my channel, and they're going to get themselves kicked off, permanently blocked from me if they keep on putting that crap up in front of my face. So, anyways, Villain? V-I-L? Viltran? Okay. Welcome to the channel, but I never seen you here. They can halt trading for up to 30 days. Yes, they can. It's called a cool-off period. And they can. So that it's happened in the past with a couple of stocks because of synthetics, and they can halt it for 30 days, okay, until the government looks at it, and it's called a multiple cool down period, and it's when the FBI step in, okay, and they halt it and they do a thorough investigation on it, okay. So we don't know. I don't know anything, and I'm not sticking fear out there. I'm strictly tell it how it is, and I don't see that on the table. Okay, I haven't heard anything about it, but the government is definitely at the table every stock day discussing this stock. Okay, they know there's issues, and people, if you get onto a platform and you try, okay, put it this way. If you go to say a broker, an actual private broker that deals with the stock, New York Stock Exchange, and you go buy shares, they just did it on Reddit, okay, a reputable group, okay, on Wall Street Breakers. I'm affiliated with the channel. You can join for free on the Discord itself. You can join the Reddit group. There is paid applications in there, but you can actually join for free. The icon's up on my wall right now above my camera. You can go there, tell them that you're with the Wolf Pack. You'll get VIP service on there, and there's a lot of good information in there, my friends. Okay, so when supercomputers kick in, will the squeeze only take off a day to finish? I don't understand what you're saying there, my friend. Like, you mean the squeeze only a day? No, it won't be just a day. No, it'll be up to a week or so before it start to finish. I'm not talking peak periods. Peak periods, we can't predict that. This is the first time a squeeze has ever happened. If you go into my wall, I have the Volkswagen squeeze right on my front page. You guys have probably already seen it. It's about a 5-minute video. That's the Volkswagen squeeze, okay? This squeeze is going to go in increments up to $500 to $1,000 in segments, okay, per minute. It's going to be very violent, okay? When was the last time this happened? Last time what happened? Sorry, I'm going to go back to... I'm trying to get... Because Spartan, when did you ask that? You didn't ask what? I don't know what you're talking about, my friend. Sorry. First time here. Keith, Welcome to the channel. Manjeet? Sorry, Manjeet? Bane? Welcome to the channel. Never seen you here before. Apes Together Strong. Turtles. Yeah, you're the first one on the channel on the top. Okay. When can we expect the squeeze to happen? Hopefully this year. I'm pretty sure it'll happen this year. Like I said, the laws have to come in effect. Okay, they've already used the ETFs up. They've already rerouted all this crap. It is what it is. There's nothing we can do. Okay, we're retail investors. I've already wrote the SEC. If you go back into one of my videos, you can fact check me on that. You can write your own letters. I recommend doing that. It's free. Just go into, all the links are there. I've already done all the work for you guys. Just go into the video, look underneath where it has information underneath my video. Just go in there and do this stuff. If you guys don't do this stuff, it is what it is, right? I've already wrote my letter. Yeah, Hood. Yeah, Hood, that's a joke and a half. Notice it collapsed. We've been covering that on the chat. Well, we don't recommend buying any of it. That's up to you guys. I've totally covered it. I predicted it. We did some stock reading on it. We predicted the crash. It happened the next day. It had a huge pullback. See, Robinhood can do anything they want to that stock. It's their stock. Look what they're doing to AMC. They can buy stocks, make it go up, hold the stocks off from people buying, selling it, rerouting them, and the stock will go up higher and higher and higher and higher. Okay? They only can do it for so long, and that's what happened. It collapsed. Let's check it right now. I'll do a live feed on it right now. Hood. Ha! There you go. See? Look at the pullback on it. Look at that. There you guys go. It's already worked. Look at it. It dropped huge. Look at that. To chunk down like that. Doesn't that look familiar? Look at that. From $60. Look at the bleed. Look at that bleed. It's only been open. How many days has this stock been open? Not even a week. It's crap. Junk stock. So, and nobody's selling AMC to buy that stock. It's all hedge funds. They put that out there to deter us, guys. The stock will not last. Robinhood will be bankrupt, man. After all he has like 49 lawsuits on him right now. Okay, Russell, the Hood files on the 13th to sell all the orders invested in share. Okay, the Hood files 13F to sell all their older investors' shares. Russell, I'm curious on that, my friend. I'm sorry, just because typing can be taken different ways. You're not talking about the Hood files? So Robinhood or Hood share? The shares Hood. Is that what you're talking about? Can you just summarize that? I'm very interested in that. Andrew. Okay, sorry, I skipped somebody here. Set sell limits or sell at market price when this explodes. No, I'm good. What? It's on the counter. It's about that much. Yeah. It's right in front of your face. It's right by the stove. There's about an inch there. Okay, so I'm sorry, it was my wife's ski. Okay, so sorry, I got sidetracked here, my friends. I could see Robinhood pump and dump their own stock and raise money they need for the future liquidities. Yes, Andrew, nailed it. Buffalo Dan, welcome to the channel, my friend. Yep, but do you think they will hide to reset the clock? Failure to delivers. Yeah, I don't, dude. They're so sneaky. They put a lot of them overseas in offshore accounts, and oh man, it's a nightmare. Because they're synthetics and they don't know how many there is. That's the problem. What's going on? They hit all the synthetic failures to deliver and all that stuff. And I don't know. I hope not, brother. And that's what these new laws are going to do. They're going to protect us. That is 70 page document, and I did cover it. It's on my channel if you want to go in there and look at it. I didn't cover the whole thing. I took parts about it. I had to get a lawyer to go through it with me, my friends, to pull sections of it out. There's no way I could understand half that. I heard GME's going to squeeze and AMC will not squeeze. Is this true? I don't know where you heard that from, my friend. AMC has twice as many shares sold as GME, so that's kind of impossible. But I don't know. I don't know where you heard that, man. That's the first time I've heard that, and I got thousands of hours in on this. And I've been doing this since January. Not our channel. Our channel's new. We're newer, a newer channel. I started this channel because there's so many people lying about stuff and I could not take it anymore. So I had to get some real DD out there, man, and just sift through all the crap. Like, it was just so overwhelming with junk, right? So, Danielle, we all know you can't talk about much about the praise, but is 100 possible? Anything's possible, my friend. Put it this way, 500,000, it's not going to happen. Not going to happen. Sorry to burst everybody's bubbles, but that's when they'll be, there's not enough money in the world to cover it. If you crunch the number, put in your computer right now in your iPhone or your Android, your phone, your smartphone, put in that number. Put 500,000 times 7 million. Tell me what you come up with. Breaker. The phone just goes impossible. There's not enough money in the world, man, to cover that. So I feel somewhere around September. I think you're pretty close there, CJ. I think you pretty much nailed that one. Would you share some thoughts about covered call strategy? We don't covered like call options and puts. We don't do, my friend. We don't support that. You're on your own on that one, my friend. Space Ghost. I can't. I don't do. That's the wrong channel for this, bud. All we do is vest and we wait and we wait for squeezes or whatever happens for prices to go up, and then we make our decision. What else we do is we invest in dividend stocks to rape royalties. Okay, what is that called? Is we invest in the stocks because you can't make synthetic shorts on a dividend stock. Okay, that's what they were trying to do to GME, is make it a dividend. If they would have made it dividend, it would have uncovered all the synthetics, because the government, they pay royalties to every stockholder. Okay, you can't pay royalties to a stockholder on a synthetic share because it doesn't exist, right? So that's what we're doing. A lot of us are. That's what I'm doing. Is I'm investing my portfolio. I don't have it up on the left hand side. I usually do. There's my portfolio right there on my left. Those are the stocks I own. Okay, so sorry, except the top one. We were doing research on a pump and dump. Here, I'll delete that off there. And costs I don't own. Okay, but I own everything else here. And the crypto on the bottom. We've always been a very with crypto. If it was me, I would stay away from crypto right now. I would just concentrate on one thing, and then it's a good plan for the future. Okay, guys. How am I going to sell on the market or limit sells? Nope, I'm selling live. We always do. We've always sold live on the channel. We buy live on the channel. Okay, back to sorry about that, guys. What I'm doing is my 3 strategy. I've always done that with stocks, and I've made a substantial amount of money on it. I've like I said, I'm made lots of money. I own nothing. I own everything. I have nothing financed in my life. Everything's paid off. My house, my car, my truck, my motorhome, my quad, everything I own. And I'm not bragging, but that's what I do. Is I'm a stock investor. I've been doing it my whole life, and I've made a substantial amount of money on it. Okay, that's why I could not take any more of this lies and bullshit of these guys trading, and they're not doing it live, and they're telling, oh, I own millions of shares, and then they won't answer you when you ask them questions. They lie, right? I'm tired of it, right? If you're going to show how much is in your account, you do a live read and you show people what your trader's account and you show them how you trade. You don't tell them how to trade. You show them what you're doing, right? Out of respect for that person, right? Notice that 99.9 of the channels will not show you their stocks and what they own because most of them already sold or they don't own the stocks, okay? You guys know what you own. I know what I own. I own 944 or 48 AMC shares, okay? I think I'm one or two because I bought some shares just the other day. I buy a little bit at a time, but I'm pretty much maxed out right now. I'm just holding, and there's reasons for that. And I'm doing my selling in 3 segments. I've already done a video on it. I'm doing it for a reap of my assets back. I do it with all my stocks. That's how I make my money. I did it on the COVID pill. I made probably about $100,000 in 30 days on the COVID pill, and I flipped it. Okay, it went up to 100. I sell 3/4 of my shares. It drops back down 100, 200%. I buy more, and I keep on doing that. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Dun, 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 and now you're worth $1 million. Okay. See, I do that with multiple stock. I do not do that with AMC though. Oh my God, you'd screw yourself. This is not normal stock trading, guys. This is not any indicators. Any of that stuff is out the window. Okay. I use my MA and EMA lines here. They give you a half a second decision. You cannot use it for stock trading on this stock. It just doesn't work. The normal stock trading theory is out the window on these meme stocks. Okay, you can't predict the amount of flow of volume in, and then it drops off. The short ladder attacks. These indicators are not used to that. It just does not work. Okay, guys? Okay. Just hang on. Drink break. Okay, I just don't like to disrespect everybody. Just let me get back to the beginning here. How are you going to sell? Okay, we already went through that. Russell. Violet. People think GME first due to the crypto division. AMC has too much debt to issue one. Yeah, the dividend. We were just talking about that. The GME. They were going to do the crypto. Okay, first due to crypto divided. You see, well, that's why about the crypto market. Let's just get into this in a second. I always discuss this more. You guys come join me in the mornings at 6:25 Pacific Standard Time. I'm going to be on here tomorrow morning. Then when the market's open, we can get right into some stuff and we'll start showing numbers and I can show you what certain candles, different colors mean. I'll show you predictions 10 minutes before I can show the stock and you're like, holy crap, how did he just do that? Okay, you can go into my playlists, okay? There's 6 videos in there that are very educational. You should go in there and watch those podcasts tonight. Okay, and if they're dumbed down a little bit for you, it's because it's for a beginner trader, and it's the basics about bearish and bullish candles, okay, doji candles and all that stuff. That it's good stuff. You should know those basics, okay, if you want to be a good trader. But it doesn't all apply to these meme stocks because we just discussed that, okay? Because there's so many contributing factors into this not normal stock trading. That's why most of my indicators are off the table right now, okay? That's why options and puts, it's not smart, guys. It's not smart. What you're just doing is fueling the hedge funds to kick the can down the road further if you're out, okay? There's a lot of YOLOs, okay? You've seen them all on Reddit, okay? That's only the ones that put their bad luck up on the screen, okay? Yes, you can make a lot of money. You can say, oh, yeah, I'm awesome at it. And then you come back 10 minutes later and lost all your money. But if you buy the stock and hold it, you're on your way to being a millionaire, right? But that's just me. You guys do whatever you want, right? I'm not giving financial advice, okay? Right? This is strictly entertainment purposes. You have to remember that, okay? And don't believe anybody on YouTube until you do your own DD. Don't even listen to me until you do your own DD, okay? Okay. Jerry, if GM goes to... Okay. If GM goes, it's good for AMC. Okay. Watch, simulate, and trade your experience on question. Yeah, for sure. They're all going to go in tandem. Like, okay, this is going to kick a multi-squeeze off, guys. This is what I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm just saying that this is just what I see might happen, okay? When you see a multiple squeeze, this is just my opinion, I don't see them all going to thousands, okay? Maybe into the hundreds. AMC is going to go to multiple, okay? It's going to be the biggest squeeze, and then after, we're not going to have squeezes like this in the history of the stock market again, okay? The new laws, they've already changed 20 laws behind us. They're blocking all the band-aids on this thing, okay? This will be the last time that we see a squeeze like this. That's why they're calling it a mother of all squeezes, because it's not going to happen again like this, okay? They might have like a gamma squeeze or something like that, but it's not going to be anything like this, okay? Because they blocked everything. It won't happen. There's no way. How much money is in the world then? How much money is in the world then? I don't understand that, my friend. How much money is in the world then? Like, how much money is all of the world? I have no idea on that one, my friend. I don't know. How high? I really can't answer that, but you're a little steep on that. But yeah, maybe. I can't say, right? I just can't answer that. I wish I don't really know, and I'm this channel was built over real information, okay? I can't predict. Just put it this way. If it went that high, I'd have $25 million in my bank, okay? Put it that way, with the shares I own, okay? So that's pretty a substantial amount, okay? I hope it goes that high. That's all I can say. Okay, I'm sorry guys, it's factual information only on this channel. I built the channel for that reason. There's too many channels out there with too much crap on it, okay, and telling people information that they don't even know, okay? I'm sorry I'm like that. It's just that you'll respect this in the future, okay? Yes, the recall. Yes, that's what I'm talking about, my friend. A big talk up about shares recall on Twitter. They're thinking about recalling all the shares. That's going to start a squeeze. That'll start a hell of a squeeze in a hurry. Because you know how much those shares are going to be worth? But that's just speculation. That started out with one person saying it, and it's spreading like wildfire. Okay, I know who put that out there. I follow his channel too. How many shares do you think one needs to be a millionaire? Well, I'd have to tell you the number. We don't even know what the price is. If you had 1,000 shares, you're on your way to be a multimillionaire. Put it that way. And I have 1,000 shares, so around 1,000 shares. Because I don't know that nobody knows the prices. But if you had 1,000 shares, I'm pretty sure you're a multimillionaire. Because if it went to 2,000 or 3,000, you have $2 or $3 million, right? That's just common sense. That's just that easy. I shouldn't say common sense, my friend. I didn't mean to say that. That's not common sense. But if it goes to 3, if you have 1,000 shares minus what you bought it for, if it goes to say 3 or 4,000, you got $2 or $3 million in your bank. That's how you do the math, just like that. It's easy to figure out. Does that make sense, guys? Does anyone have, or is that a diversion? I don't know how much about myself. XELA. Let's pull that up right now. Oh, I just had that on there. That was a setup as a pump and dump, guys. That was a diversion. I think it was. Let's see. Is that the stock? Yes. I just had this up on my thing. This was a diversion pump and dump. This was set up to divert us, and it was a pump and dump. Just give me a second, I'll show you guys. This is what a pump and dump. Oh fuck. Where is it? That's a pump and dump. Look at that. That's a pump and dump, guys. That's clear pump and dump. See how it goes up like a knife, down like a knife. Okay, that is a pump and dump. When and if I have to say that for legal reasons, AMC does. Okay, it's gonna go up like this. It's gonna knife on the top bit. Okay, for the next like about $1,000 off. Okay, if it goes to multiple thousands. It's gonna go down on a tier like this, okay, like a volcano, okay? No, there's only gonna be very few people that catch it at the top, okay? But just don't worry about it. We're shooting podcasts. We're doing this live. You guys have already know this. I have a secondary channel, and if you aren't subscribed to it yet, I would go sub to it, okay? As soon as that squeeze hits, that channel's been going 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You guys, I gave you the tools. Okay, when it goes down and I notice it's going down, I can't tell you guys to sell, but I'm putting a podcast out there that we are in a squeeze. Okay, then I'm putting another podcast out there. It could be a couple days later. It's going to be definitely a couple days before we start seeing the downslope. There's too many people invested for it to go up, and it's not going to knife like this because this is a pump and dump. Okay, if you guys do own shares in this, be careful. Okay, you might want to be thinking of an exit strategy. Okay, hopefully you didn't buy when it was at $8, okay? Because it could go back up, but it's I can't really see it. It depends on the volume, guys, coming in. It had a lot of volume the other day, but there's a lot of people that are worried about this stock. And it was like, look at this. That doesn't look good, okay? But I'm not saying, like I said, I don't know, man. The mother of all squeezes, you know, is AMC. So I just, unless you're a multi-million already, Sundial is going to, and all those stocks are going to go up a bit. Okay, once AMC squeezes, they're all going to have a gamma. Okay, I can't predict what it's going to be, but it's not going to be nowhere near. But you guys are going to make a lot of money if you bought Sundial at $1, whatever it is, 50 or whatever the highest it was. Just put it this way, you're going to make a lot of fucking money on it, okay? Just put it that way. I can't go into what it's going to be because I don't know. I'm not going to feed you guys the information here. Okay, did I skip anybody here? Sorry, guys. Okay, I did skip a bunch of people here. Sorry, guys. Okay, well, I am upset. I just found your channel this late. I need to catch up on all the great stuff. Info. Thank you so much for brother. Not a problem. Not a problem, man. Not a problem, guys. Like, this channel's not that old, so don't feel bad. We only have 164 videos out there. Okay, so just go back and watch the videos. Go back to watch the last 30 videos. Okay, there's some good shit in there. Okay, go read the stock. Sorry, guys, my throat's really hurting because that's all I do is podcasting and typing. My fingers are raw. I do a lot of coding. I built a lot of software for this squeeze. Okay, so oh man, I missed a lot of your guys. Sorry about that, guys. Sean, sorry about missing you, brother. I've seen you. I seen. Thanks, Sean. I seen a. Oh, we talked the other day, and I read your messages. You sent me an email the other day. You're a good guy, Sean. You're a good guy. Metalhead. I see ya. Right on. Welcome to the channel, brother. How to sell when it rips. How to sell when it rips. I think have a sell tailing stop would be best. Do you recommend what do you recommend, my friend? A market order sell. All I can do is when I tell a story that's I'm telling about myself, you have to think outside the box just because of legal aspects. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm doing a reap of my stocks and money. Okay, what I'm doing is on the way up, I'm recovering some of my money. I'm going to cover it because in case there's a 30-day, 60-day breaker halt. Okay, they might have a breaker halt and the stock might shut itself off for 30 days. Okay, it's happened before. Okay, because they got issues with it. Okay, or might have breakers on the way up, which the breakers on the way up are set up for cool downs. Okay, it's not going to cool the stock down. Okay, but they did a breaker on the way up at the $72, and then Adam Aaron dumped all those shares and crushed our squeeze. We were in a full gamma going into a squeeze, and then he dumped all those shares. If he wouldn't have dumped those shares, It would have all been over by now. We'd have all been millionaires, okay? I know that for 100%. He should have as a professional, but he got greedy with the money. I know a lot of people love him. He's just a CEO. I don't hate his guts for it, but he did a bad move on our parts, okay? Because we did pull him out of bankruptcy. He should have done a solid move and threw little ones in. He could have went 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, or a million, and then a couple waited a little bit more. When it got up to 500 to 1,000, when it got up to about 5,000, 6,000, he could have threw another million in. You know what I mean? But everybody to their own. We'll still get there, guys. Okay. How many shares am I holding of AMC? I am holding 944 or 48. 940 something. And I'll tell you guys, I'm very transparent on this. I bought 188 shares through Wealth Simple Trades, and you guys can use my broker down below. I have 2 brokers for a reason, okay? In case one goes bankrupt. I have a bank holding mine. TD Bank holds, just let me figure this out, 700 and some odd shares of mine because I know it's a bank. Bank's not going to go bankrupt. The trading platform might, okay? So that's why I got it through 2 different things, okay? I got myself protected. Any possibility for the share recall? I don't know on that. I don't know anything about. I tried finding DD on that for you guys, and there's nothing there. So I think it's. As far as I'm concerned, I think it's a bunch of bullshit. Okay, I can't find anything on it. Nothing on it. I have a VPN too, so I can get a lot of more information than most of you guys can without a VPN. Okay, and I can't get in there. I can't find anything on it. There's nothing on it. Oh, blockchain divided. Okay, to be honest with you guys, I'm probably going to be pulling a partner on this shot on this. I'm not going to mention the name yet. A company wants me to sign them partners onto my channel and put their logo up on my channel. It's blockchain. Okay, it's a blockchain company with crypto. Okay, I've already done some research. They are making a killing right now, and they deal with all the crypto. Okay, not the shit coin. But they deal with like 7 of the good cryptos, stuff that we don't even hear, like only in Canada and the States. All the good ones here, but there's also some ones in China and all that, and the government cryptos too. And you can interchange them all. It's really good wallet, and you can buy the wallet through them. Okay, but I'm still signing some legal documents and looking. I won't just put crap on my channel. Okay, so they want to pay me to do it. I'm very open with this. Okay, I don't really care about the money. Okay, I would be suing Super Chats if I cared about that. Okay. So, the thing about that is I want to pull this Alexa off here because I don't want to advertise this crap on here. Okay, sorry guys. Yeah, I would watch myself on that. See, I already have my trend lines all set up, see? These are my trend lines. They're nobody else's. They're not pivot points. They're actually my own trend lines. And they're very accurate, okay? So you guys will see those when you watch the channel and stuff. When you log on, you'll be seeing certain trend lines. That's because I had it on the 30-minute. But that crypto thing is a good play for down the road. I would concentrate if it was me on AMC, okay? Or whatever you're into, whatever meme stock. Squeeze. My average price for AMC, I can't go over that, my friend. Are you talking the price I bought it? I don't think you are. I can't discuss that. We just talked about that. CC is a good way to create. Yeah, it could be. How many shares do I think he's a millionaire? We already discussed that one. What is the floor for AMC? I can't go over that. We already discussed that one. I can't discuss numbers. Sundale, we already discussed that. Sorry, I'm just going through them. What did I miss? You haven't missed that much. You can always replay the video, guys. Throw for good people. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks for all the thumbs up, guys. Thanks for helping the algorithm. You guys have smashed this friggin' channel out of the park. Thanks, guys, for all the thumbs up on all the videos that come out. You guys are killing the algorithm. You guys are smashing this channel up to Pluto and around Pluto a couple times. We are one of the fastest growing YouTube channels in YouTube right now. And I know that not by the numbers on my subs. We're talking statistics, okay? This channel's doubled in 2 days. I've gotten a letter from YouTube. They're very impressed with it, and they're yeah, they're very happy with our channel. So and I owe it all to you guys. It had nothing to do with me. It's you guys. You guys are the ones hitting the thumbs button. I told you, if you guys smash this channel and get the algorithm up there, I will keep on putting good stuff out there for you. And I got your guys' backs as subs. I told you guys that. Okay? And thanks for the more. I see this. I see the likes going through the roof right now. Thanks for everybody on here smashing that like button. Like you guys are boosting this channel right up, man. And the more you boost the channel, the more power we have to get these laws changed, man. I'm the only channel that will confront these government officials and put videos out like this, and prove me wrong. Fact check me on it. Try to find another channel that'll actually put the videos out and confront them and actually go after the SEC and write videos and put up links to how to go after the whistleblower line and all that stuff. Thanks, Felix. Brother, how you doing? How you doing? And I owe it all to you guys. Hey, it's all you. You guys control it. You guys control the channel, not me. I'm just the broadcaster. 5 billion synthetic shares of AMC, JP, and 6, they're saying. After I put that video out, new statistics came out and they found another billion. They pulled another billion out of the UK. So they say 6 billion now. Okay, Avador, right on. You guys are awesome. I'm trying to catch up. I almost caught up to your all your comments here. Thanks for keeping the comments down a little bit, guys. The iShares Russell 2000 is ranked 8 right now, and the most heavily shorted ETFs. Yes, which helps to, dude. It's crazy. Felix, yeah. Felix has given the channel a lot of support. Thanks, man. He's been here for a short while too, and I really appreciate you guys. So yeah, there we hit the bottom. You guys can ask some more questions now. Thanks for giving me a bit of a break, man. And I'll cheers to that. Yeah, 6 billion. Yeah, that's right. 6 billion, they say. 2022 share, 0.2 shares. That's JP. That's awesome, man. Even if you have 10 shares on here, we had a chat the other day, and a couple of people came out with so many shares with the cry symbol stuff. What? Don't look at stuff like that, guys. Don't look at stuff like that. Okay, that's it. It's gonna go up really high. Okay, that's all I can say. You guys are gonna be freaking rich. Okay, like just bear with me. Okay. But if it was me, anything I got. But if it was me, I don't go into debt. I would not go in my line of credit. And I know some of you have, but just watch yourselves, guys. And taking money out of your line of credit and buying stock and stuff like that is not what a good trader professional does. Okay, I know some of you done. I'm not putting you down, and it's not like people know who you are on here doing that. But just be careful, guys. Okay, really be careful. Okay. It's just you're paying interest on that stuff, and I know it's for a good cause and all that, but I've never done that. Okay, I always have a plaque. Were you part of? No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't a part of the squeeze. That video I got off of a friend on Reddit, and I showed it for you guys. That video on my homepage is for you guys to have a look at. Good evening, Larry Lewis. Not a problem, brother. Thanks for smashing the like button, brother. Thank you. How long can they keep on kicking the can? Do they have a lifetime frame? Do they have a time frame? Yeah, they do. They do have a time frame. Those laws are going to crush them. Okay, we've got them up against the wall right now. I know everybody's been saying that, guys. I wouldn't have been in on this stock if I wouldn't. Well, actually, yeah. Because what stock can you in like a year become a millionaire, right? It would take you your whole life to be able to make this kind of money. Did I get my shares counted? No, I didn't. Nope, I didn't. I don't believe in that. Sorry. There's a reason why I can't, because I'm a Canadian, and the second, because they didn't have the thing on the bank, and the second I opened it up and they sent me my email, and then it asked for my trader's account, for my personal account information. No, not involved. Nothing to do with it. Sorry. That's like giving your social insurance number out or your driver's license. I don't know who the hell they are. Not happening. That's my private information. You guys can do whatever you want, right? Nope. I just don't go there. That's my private shares, and I put a lot of money into those. But that's up to you guys. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not hurting you into doing something that you don't want to do, right? That's up to you guys. Not a problem, brothers. Oh, not a problem. Okay, somebody just messed. Barbara Brickley commented, are you on here on the live chat right now? She just wrote me a thing right now. I just came up on my wall. If you're on here, Barbara, I'm going to answer your question right now. Just hit the thumbs up if you are. What button share rerouting are you talking about? Okay, let's get into share rerouting here. Brendan! Yo, what's up, brother? Thank you so much, man. It wouldn't grow without you guys. And smashing that like button helps so much on the videos, man. You guys, we're on the algorithm. We're rocking it right now. So anyways, we just went through all that. So anyways, Brenda was just wrote me a chat. And the thing is rerouting your shares, guys. A lot of you are American in different countries, and that's frigging awesome. That's awesome. To me, we're all one. Okay, we're in the same cause. I'm not going to sit here and go, we're different countries, different provinces, different states. In my eyes, it doesn't work like that. That's not this type of channel. Okay, we're not ignorant like that. We're all in the same. We're in the same thing. Even if it's not the same stock, we're in the market. It's the same thing in my eyes. Okay, so on your trading apps, if you go into settings, into defaults, there should be like an app rerouting thing in there. And if it's checked off, if it was me, I would uncheck that box, because what you're doing is rerouting it. So it's not going to the stock exchange. It's going to a vault or a secondary book system. Okay. So I'm from Vancouver, British Columbia in Canada. And the other thing is in your settings, I don't know that all the apps are different, and the sell limits. Okay, there's a thing in there that you can set on infinity. You know the infinity sign. Okay, or you can set it. Some of them have a default like for 500 to 1,000, because that's highly unlikely a stock's going to go that high anyways on most stocks. Okay, not a problem. So what I wanted to, I was just reading your chats, guys, just because I don't like to be disrespectful, right? So anyways, if you can't find that stuff on there, you should, if it was me, I would call, like I already called. I called the TD Bank. Mine's a TD Trade Amtrade. It's not Amtrade in the States. It's a different one. Okay, I would call and ask them, is there stock rerouting on my app, on this account? Okay, if they go, no, on the app, just reword that, on this account. If there is, and you tell me there isn't, I'm suing you. Tell them that I'm suing you, because if they reroute those, they're vaulting them. They're not actually going to the market. That's the problem. The stocks are not hitting the market. They're delaying them up to 7 weeks, a month, 2, 3, 4 months, and they're sitting dormant, and then they're putting them in the market. Okay, that's the problem. That's why one of the reasons why this isn't squeezed. That's the whole frigging problem with some of it. Then the sell limit. Ask them, is there a sell limit on this? Like, will the stock all of a sudden sell on me at a certain limit, right? Those are good questions. All it is a phone call, guys. Is it worth ruining your whole, potentially joining the Millionaires Club over something crazy? Because it happened with GME. We watched it happen with GME. GME hit $200-300. It dipped big time. And then all the people came up on Reddit and said, dude, you won't believe what happened. My stock's all sold off. It was all over the place. That's how we knew about upper sell limits. I wouldn't know about it unless I was educated that way. There is no PFOF in Canada, right? Sorry, my friend, abbreviations. You have to remember, I'm an old wolf here. I'm a gray-haired silverback wolf. So you have to, abbreviations, I'm old school. Enlighten me on that a bit, my friend. You can tell I'm old, eh? 44 years old. That's why I've been around the block a little bit on the stock market. Payment for order flow in Canada? No, there isn't. See, when we buy stocks, like if we weren't to buy, I have to exchange my money into American money to be able to buy stocks, even through my bank. Yes, Monty is right. That's why I don't get into options and puts and options on this channel, guys. I'm totally against it. That's up to you, though. It helps kick the can down the road. Okay, when it falls out of the money, though, they don't need to claim that money. That strictly goes into Citadel's pocket. Citadel is the biggest option trading platform in the world. Fact check me. Monty's right, 100%. Monty nailed it. Cash App? I'd never use Cash App, my friend. Is that American or Canadian? I've heard of it, though. Hi, how you doing? Hey, brother. Emilio? Emilio? Sorry, I'm having problems pronouncing. I'm sorry. I'm going to call you EG, okay? There you go, brother. It's just all these new last names and stuff. I'm not... But hi, welcome to the channel, and thanks for the sub, brother. Thanks for keeping the shit real. Tyrone. Hunter. Let's go. Thanks for the sub. Thanks for keeping it real. I'm with TD as well. Okay, up in Canada here, my friend? Are you through TD or Amtrade? Oh, okay. Oh, Cash App. Yeah. I've never used it. The company that wants to me to sponsor them, or well, they're going to sponsor me, but I'm supposed to, you know what I mean? I'm helping them. It's kind of like that. Yeah, no doubt, Tyrone. Hunter, are you related to Jackson Hunter? I'm just bugging you. Yes, BC. Ah, cool. No, we're safe with TD, my friend, up here. We're safe. We're safe. We don't have our sell limits are not set on default like that. I've already looked into it. And a good company to go with. You went with hey brother, how you doing? Welcome to the channel again. Bobby B. What are you SM? Bobby B, what do you mean by that? But yeah, TD, I went with TD because they're not going to go bankrupt, right? What am I smoking? Is that what you meant? What am I smoking, man? It's a vape. I'll only be smoking it for a couple more days. I gotta quit, man. Really bad. I gotta quit. It would have been weed a couple months ago, but I quit smoking it because you have to know Sundial is my country. Sundial is literally my next province over. We have Sundial dispensaries all over my city. And I used to smoke the best BC bud around, man. We had killer bud here. But I don't smoke it anymore because of my job. Good, Derek. You were so frigging lucky. You were part of that pump and dump then, right? You know. Okay, Derek might be able to enlighten us some. Somebody asked that question. That was a pump and dump, wasn't it? Because I pulled it back and it crashed, right? Okay, Christian. Okay, JP Lawns. At JP Lawns, I know they haven't just... Okay, I'm just looking for reassurance. I have all my savings and it ain't much. 250. Don't say the and it ain't much, the 250. Come on, don't do that, guys. That's a lot. You're still going to make hundreds of thousands of dollars on that, man. What do I do for work? I work in the union. I'm an operator, machine operator. If you go back into my videos, I run rock truck, excavator, work in the mines. I work all over the place. And I'm a welder by trade too. But I'm semi-retired now, guys. Right? I retired about 4 years ago, and then COVID hit, and I came out of retirement for about 2 months, and I'm back in retirement again. I'm retired at 44 years old. Now I just do stocks. That's what happened. I did good in the stock market. I told you guys that. JP, you're right. I never play with money that I could lose. Yes, it is, Kim. Yes, it is. And welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel, guys. Everybody on there. And if I missed you, welcome to the channel too. It's coming. I know. Hopefully, it's coming too. You have to remember, I'm old school. I'm from January, guys. I was the first group of people that bought this stock. We were the ones that pushed it from the beginning. Okay. I know all about waiting. And hey, I want to tell you a story. Okay. I'm going to tell you a true story here. Okay, when it hit 71 or 72, whatever it was, $70, 72.62. I got the number right in front of me on the 52-week high. My account was up to $160,000 US, okay? From 20 grand. Or no, from 18,000 up to 162,000. I showed my wife that. She started jumping up and down. She says, well, where's the money? And I said, well, it's still in the account. She goes, well, why didn't you sell it? It's going down right now. And I said, no, I'm not selling it. And to this day, she does not understand. She still shakes her head, and she just doesn't understand. And I said, that's paper handing it. I said, this thing's going to be worth large. This will be worth millions and millions and millions of dollars. And every day it goes down, 5 grand, 3 grand, 5 grand, 3 grand, 5 grand. Every day it goes down. And she just doesn't understand, but it is what it is, right? I believe in my heart, and that's why I built the channel, is because I just know these things. I crunch the numbers. Like it says right here. It says right here, outstanding shares 513,000 or 500. Sorry, correction, 513.33 million. Free float 500.06 million. There's something wrong with that picture there. Why is there more outstanding than free? Because there's no shares left. Right? Yeah, Tyrone, a year long, January as well. I know. Well, it's only been 6 months. It's not that long. My 3 turned into 20 at the point. I just wanted to sell. Dude, I wanted to sell so bad too. Oh, man. And I show live on my, I show live on live stream in the morning. Stop trying to sell me crypto. Oh, man. Stop. Get off my page. So, anyways, I do it, in the morning if you're on here live. I'll show you my trader's account. It's down to, I'll show you right now, guys. I have nothing to hide. I'm very transparent. I think you might be able to see it in the camera. It might have a good glare on it right now. Let's go into Yahoo Finance. Where is it? We're down to $54,911 now. And the last day, there you guys go. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that because of the glare. If not, I'll do it in a better light tomorrow morning for you guys. There you go. Yeah, you can see that. There you go. Talk about transparent, eh? Yeah, Tyrone, that is nuts. Like, I think only 10% of the people sold. There's some people did sell, but not that many. Not that many. And do you know what happened? Our community bought them up even before the hedgies could get them. The hedgies don't want the synthetics. They know what the synthetics are. That they mean nothing, those synthetics. To us, yes, they have to be covered, but not to them. Right? Christian. Yeah, it's going to happen. Ha ha ha, right on. Ricky, how you doing, brother? I know we all needed to pop soon. Oh, because your restaurant, did COVID hit you hard, my friend? I feel sorry for all the restaurant owners, man. I know. It just sucks. I know. I can't wrap my head around this. If it even goes to 10,000 per... See, you have to look at the picture here. Remember Adam Aaron came on and said the average person owns 120... I think he said 20 some odd shares. Those numbers are so fucking off the wall. The average person doesn't own more than 120 shares. I know a lot of people do own that, but the average person owns 500 plus. You need to double that, okay? Because yeah, and it doesn't matter if you only own a couple hundred shares. I'm not putting this on you, okay? I'm just saying statistically. Yeah, they do have insurance. They do have insurance. Yeah, guys, that's what is Fidelity as good as TD? Yeah, it's pretty good. That's the one I would be with instead of Webull. But I'd watch transferring shares around right now, guys. Like, fuck, you could fuck yourself because they sit in limbo for a bit, right? Fidelity is good as TD. Yeah, Fidelity's pretty strong. Webull and Webull and Robinhood are probably the weakest. Kim, if it even goes to 1,000, I'm happy too. If it goes to 2, I'm even happier. But it is what it is. It's gonna go. In my opinion, it's gonna go higher than that. I can't give a number, but oh wow, you own 3,800 shares. Well, I'm looking at a multi-millionaire. A few at 1,000. Yeah. Well, that's up to you. You can. Yeah. I already have my system. I'm selling 188 shares. I'm selling my Wealth Simple Trading, my weakest trading account, in case the things go sideways. I already discussed that. I'll be selling it on the way up, close to the top, and then the other the other 800 shares I'm holding for the push. And I know I'm not going to need it on the top, but I have a number, and I'll be selling live. And if people don't like it, they don't like it. That's up to them. They're my shares, right? But I will be broadcasting it all live. I ignored your question. David, what did I? Sorry. I'll go back. How do you know what tomorrow is going to... How do you know that tomorrow is going to... How do you know that tomorrow is going to squeeze? No one knows. I never said tomorrow was going to squeeze. I never said that at all. Who said that? I never said anything about that, my friend. No, we don't. Nobody knows when it's going to squeeze. I said if it squeezes tomorrow. Like transferring shares around. I said watch what you're doing, because if it squeezes, you'll screw yourself if you're transferring shares around from broker to broker. Is that more clear, my brother? Brother Dave? David, sorry. I sold my house in Mexico for MC. Now that's a diehard. That's pretty hardcore, man. Well, you already know you got yourself in a good place too. Oh, my neck's getting sore. Some of you got some killer amount of shares here. Yeah, Lou. I'm friends with Lou. Okay. Kim, Lou's a good person. He has his own thing. He has money where he's a crazy fucker. Oh fuck, he's out of it. But yeah, I disagree with him on that. And don't worry, he'll ragging on me. You'll probably hear it on his channel. But anyways, one play at a time. Okay, it's a good play for the secondary. Yeah. And I'm going to be doing my plays. I'm investing in dividend stocks only. I'm a little bit jaded from this after this. I'm only investing in dividend because if the price goes up on a stock, you get a slam dunk, plus you get royalties off the dividend. If it goes down, you still get a dividend money. It's a slam dunk anywhere you go. Okay? No, Lou's not a fortune teller. He's a good guy though, guys. He's on a... Lou's hardcore, man. Like, look where he lives and stuff, right? He's grown up. Just put it this way, his life is a little bit different than most of ours, okay? I'm not going to say anything bad about my friend. And I know you're not asking me to. I know that. Lou's whack, but I love him, man. He's my brother, okay? He's smart, but I don't want to talk. I just don't like talking about other people, but it's all good. It's all good, guys. You can have your own opinion. I'm not saying it is. Right? It's all good. You guys can have your opinions. I'm not that guy. I'm not going to get on here and start, hey, you can't talk about people like... It is, you do whatever you want, man. It's a free country. Well, sort of, right? Texas! Welcome to the channel. I never seen you here before. Lou wasn't first. Okay, whoa, okay, what am I missing? Was the first one talking about squeeze? Lou wasn't the first. Laugh out loud. Don't say trades. I'm just joking. You can say whatever you want. I'm just bugging you guys. I can't invest in other stocks. I'm 100% on MC. Yeah, that's up to you. I am too. I have my other plays, but I'm not heavy on them. Always trash talking on other YouTubers, but compliments hedgies. Yeah, he has a different outlook on things. Yep, he does. What's up, brother? Yeah, we're talking about AMC, and we're bashing Lou. No, I'm just joking. We're not. I'm just joking. No, he's a friend, okay? Same as Jackson Hunter, okay, guys? That's all I got to say. MVIS. Okay, MVIS. Yeah, let's talk about some stuff here. MVIS, it will go up. Yes, it will. When this thing squeezes, AMC squeezes, they're all going to get a push. I call it a push. They're going to get a push, okay? I have some friends that are in on MVIS. Why do I have this weird fucking stock shit going on here? These aren't my stocks. Okay, these are my stocks. Sorry, guys. Those weren't my stocks on the left-hand side. That was a watch list. But yeah. Hey, the secondary books is true, and the vaulting is true. It's true, man. It's 100%. Well, we all know now it's true, right? It's true. The FBI and it's all. If you go back when Lou was talking about that, if you go back into my videos, okay, we were on the same day. He broadcasted a video, and then I broadcasted, this second one about the FBI's grabbing Vlad's phone, and then he broadcasted it, and then it was all over the news. Okay. You guys caught that one on the chat bar, eh? Notice how many coughs I did? Count it. We'll do it again. Read the chat bar. Read the chat and watch how many times I cough. There's your number. I can't see anything. You caught it, guys. You caught it. That was just me coughing. You guys caught that. You can always play it back. So, anyways, yeah. I know, we got this. As I keep on saying, guys, gotta relax. 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 We got this. Car also pump dump. What? CARV? Is that the ticker symbol? Intel? Holy shit. Holy crap. What the heck? Is that the... No, what's this? Was that a ticker symbol you just threw at me? Buffalo Dan. That's right, brother. Hold as long as you can. That's up to you guys. You guys know your numbers. It's just to have a couple exit strategies, guys. I would have a couple exit strategies. If you're a professional, they all do it, okay? I showed you mine. I'm very clear on that, okay? Can't stop. You're a line watcher, eh? You going blind, eh? I know. I used to do that too, guys. I have alarms set and stuff. I do watch the market a couple times a day, when it squeezes, guys, I got like 10 alarms set from like 3 different screeners. I got my computer will go off. I got messages coming off on my phone. I got all the podcasts already set for you guys. Okay, all I do is hit a button and they release. Okay, and I'll be doing 2 of each. So, because sometimes the YouTube doesn't send the podcast out right away. We already know the problems with YouTube. Okay, so we're gonna hit 2 out. We're gonna hit 1 out, and then 10 minutes later we're gonna broadcast another one. Okay, so if you get back to back, and they're only gonna be like 10 seconds long. And it's going to say we're in the squeeze, and that's all it's going to stay. And then you can, then if you're sub to this channel, which we hopefully are, and you should be sub to the other channel if you want to watch it live, and that'll be broadcasting 24 hours a day. You'll be doing night market too, which night market will be moving more than it is now. Okay, but it might be pretty slow. It'll be pretty stale content at night, but it'll still be recording, unless, and we'll be hardwired too, unless my internet goes down. Right? Okay, let me read some messages here. Okay, I'm afraid of the people selling in hundreds, the holders. Well, as soon as BlackRock and all those companies dump, they own a lot of. We're going to hit some big rocky territories here, man. Those big companies, you don't think twice that they're going to sell and try to flip their money. It's going to hurt us a little bit, but it won't. It won't. There's too many shares out there. It's going to dip like a mother, but it's going to keep on going. That's why you got to have your exit strategies, guys. Like, just, if it was me, I would not get too greedy, okay? Just make sure you're set up for a generation or 2. And then pull the pin, man. Like, you can't, you don't want to screw yourself, okay? Put it this way, I'm going to say something. It's not hitting $500,000, okay? There, I said it. I'm not going to say any more. It's not going to 500,000. That's just clickbait on people's YouTube channels. I'm not trying to be what is that, a downer? Okay, it's just realistic. What is greedy? Yeah. I don't know, man. Those are pretty good numbers there. That'd be awesome if it went to any one of those numbers. What's the other channel? Oh, what's the other channel? JP, if you go into my last video, or into the last videos, you're gonna have to look for, I can't pull up a link right now. Or, yeah, just hang on a second. Maybe I can. I might be able to. I don't know if this is the channel, though. Just hang on a second. I'm going to take it there. No, that's not the channel. Don't go to that. Oh, no, that's not the channel. That was the link to the broadcast we're just on right now. Take it there. No, that's not the... Yeah. A FUD. Yeah, no shit, eh? So, that link I just put up there is just to this channel because I was pasting it on to Twitter. So, sorry guys, I gotta get back onto something I can see you guys on here. Sorry about that. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. I was trying to do something for you guys and I messed my screen up here. Just give me a minute to get back on here. Okay. There, we're back on. Okay. That's a lot of holding. Yeah, no kidding. Oh yeah, Kim. I hope it's over that. Kim, I don't think you need to worry. Read outside the box on that one. Trust me on that. That's a little low. How can anyone know how high it can squeeze? They don't, but it's the government won't let it go past a certain mark. Because like I said, you're going to be hitting in percentages. There's not enough money in the states to cover it. If it hits into those big numbers, into the hundreds of thousands, put the number on your phone. We already went through this. It doesn't. Your phone crashes. It doesn't even go up that high. Yeah, 2 mil would be awesome just having that, man. I can turn 2 mil on the stock market in 60 days into 5 million. Okay. Just buy dividend stocks, guys. I'll be doing some. This channel's not going to end after this. We're going to be getting into some dividend stocks. I'm going to be doing online flipping, okay? Legit flipping, no pump and dump shit. It's all going to be investing in dividend stocks and just education, man. Normal stock market. Look, gang, it has to be between 8 and 6K. Yeah, that'd be awesome. It's around that. Yeah, I can see that. No, they gotta cover it, man. No, they can't. It's the law. They gotta. As soon as these new laws come in, they're screwed. Like, they're totally screwed. The government is giving them an option to take all their other stocks because they own portfolios of billions and billions of different stocks. Okay, the government's telling them, we will take those stocks. We'll give you cash for them, and you can pay interest on those stocks, but you got to pay these guys. Reddit? Oh, okay, good, yeah. Well, the thing is I don't know how that is, Buffalo Dan. I don't know how that's going to happen because there's no shares for sale, right? Until people start selling, and then there'll be shares. Yes. I don't know how that's going to happen. I have no idea. That's going to be friggin' crazy, though. People will be doing a huge FOMO on that. That'll be nuts, man. Everybody in the world will be buying stocks. Trust me. Well, not everybody in the world. You know what I mean. Probably about 60% of the people in the world, in the rich countries like ours, right? I think so. What do I think of Matt Coors? We used to be friends, okay? Put it that way. On Twitter. I mean, on Instagram. And then he blocked me. Because I asked him about synthetic shorts and stuff. And and started questioning him on all these numbers and stuff, and he blocked me. So I don't know. He doesn't like me. Just put it that way. I'm not gonna get on here and yeah, I don't know. I don't. You guys can be the judge of that. He's only a kid, okay? He's only like, what isn't he, 20 something years old? Nothing against younger people, because they're getting out here and willing to learn on the stock market. There's nothing wrong with that. When do I think they will stop people from buying shares on AMC? I don't know. I can't answer that, man. I don't know. I can't answer that one. But I think there's going to be a bit of a pullback for sure. Rayo was the dividend stock I was interested in. There's a lot. Energy and banks are good at dividend stocks. That's what I'm getting into, is a lot of banks. There will be a share recall AMC. I don't know. It's all over Twitter and Reddit right now. I haven't heard anything from anybody. The person that would have to, there's only two people that can do that, would be the SEC and Aaron Popcorn Man. Aaron. He's the only one that can do it. AMC. Right? He can ask for a recall on his own shares. But they'd have to pay us out, though, for them. Right? And they can't just give us $33 or whatever they're worth. That's not how it works, right? That would start a squeeze if they ask for a recall. Do you have a vid of an exit strategy? Mojo. Yes, I do. If you go back 3 videos and it says part 1 of AMC squeeze, that's my video. Less than 3 or 4 videos back, my friend. Just go back into my videos. And it shows you my 3 exit strategies. I'm pretty sure I have the JP. I'm pretty sure I have a few synthetics. I don't have any. But, oh, no, I'm lying. I do. I have 10. I have 10 synthetics. But it doesn't matter. They're all worth the same thing. They're all worth, except to hedgies, they're not worth anything. The hedgies want my shares, okay? Because those are gold. Those are the ones they can pay out with. But your insurers are insured. Your synthetics. Their classes, they were bought through a broker. They're insured. Cough if I don't like them anymore. I got something in my throat. You're funny. Ricky, you're an awesome guy, man. Thanks for joining our channel, and all of you guys. I'm not getting off the air, but yeah, I'm having a good laugh tonight. It's the last time I went on chat, I had a really good talk, and this look at this. I'm out of alcohol and I'm still on here. My drink's done and I'm still hanging out with you guys. So that's pretty good. Oh. What happened here? 8 full. Oh, here we go. I thought somebody was calling me a clown. I seen a picture of a clown come up. The douche father. Is that what you guys? I'm just joking. I did not know. Okay, let me get caught up here before we get talking about other tubers here. Let's make sure we answered all the questions here. I'm sure I have a few shares. What do you think about the ape father? I just learned about him about 4 days ago. No, a week ago because I went camping. I'm not going to burn any other YouTubers on here. I'm just joking, guys. But he's something else. He's something else. That's all I'm going to say. Just like fucking wow. Wow. I haven't seen any DD come out of him. All I hear is him burning other YouTubers and I'm going or whatever the fuck he does. I'm walking around in a Hooters shirt that's 3 sizes too big. So I don't know. I don't know anything about him. I really haven't seen any good content. So I don't know the guy personally. Oh yeah, Rick is follow. I don't know. I heard him 500K. That's crazy, man. He's gonna just put it this way, guys. It's not going that high. Okay. I will be getting on there and doing a live sell of my stuff, and I don't expect anybody to follow me. Okay. But just put it this way. I'm going to be a multi-millionaire. Okay. Put it that way. Take it that from the number crunching. Okay. I'm not going down in making 2 life to 3 life generation changes here. Okay. I'm not taking it dry. Okay. I've been holding but I'm not going to be taking my subs down with me if I crash. Okay. So just put it that way. I'm going to be very transparent, and I'm not going to, that's up to you guys to sell. I can't tell you guys when to sell, but the prices will all be live. We're going to be coming on in the mornings at 6:25, every market open in the middle of the squeeze too. And I know you guys are good. Should I sell? Should I sell? I don't want to be telling you the same things. I can't tell you what to do. Nothing's going to change. I'm not going to change, right? But when I do sell, guys, I'm selling, right? And it'll be in a couple different sequences, right? And I'll be showing, oh, fuck, I have 3 million in my account. I think we're going to sell today, right? So it's going to be like that, my friends. Okay, let me catch up here. You guys you guys got clowns on here, and okay, 8 father level, but real 8. Agree, okay. Monty, all we need to buy right now are fake shares. That's true. That's all you can buy is fake shares, my friends. But they're insured. Oh yeah, we read that. People are dumb for giving super chats. Not his fault. Yeah. Martine's clown laugh. Yeah. Hey, Leon the Lion. What's up, brother? How you doing? This is a good topic for you. Guess who they're talking about, Leon the Lion? The fart father. I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't say that. I'm not going to be like him. I'm not going to go down to that level. They're talking about the douche father. I mean, what do you guys call him? The ape father. That's his name. I couldn't think of his name. So yeah, I'm just reading your guys' comments. Leon the Liar, damn, your channel is blowing up. I'm real happy for you. Oh, thank you, brother. It's all the guys. It's all you guys, man. I just gotta cook. We are all sure busy. Sure. Okay, you can be my financial advisor. Ooh, watch what you say there, Kim. Relax. That's up to you what you want to do, but I will be selling live. I can't agree or nothing on it. That's very sketchy words right there, what you just said. But that's up to you. I can't tell you. Oh, Abe Father shows his portfolio? I didn't know that. I did not know that. How many do I have of EMC? I have 944 or 48 shares. I don't know exact. I'll know by tomorrow because I did buy an extra 10 shares and I can't remember. But I do own over 944. And I did buy at $8.23 or 28 cents. I can't remember. And that was 188 in them. And the rest were bought through TD trading account up here in Canada. And I paid $14 and some chump change. And that's because I thought I was getting a good deal, which I don't care because now I did get a good deal. And then it went down to $6 or $7. And I was like, oh, shit. Right? And then I bought more at $8. But, hey, I'm not complaining because look at them what they're worth right now. Right, so I'm not complaining. I who knows? I didn't know what they were going to do either. Right, like it is what it is. But he's a clown. I got 900. Good, Ricky, sweet. What's average? Kim, what do you mean? What's that? Cook is a new stock, is it? Are you talking about... What? Are you messing with me? You're messing with me. Are you messing with me? The Cook is a new stock. You're screwing with me, aren't you? Hey, I'm easy to put one past on sometimes. Oh, yeah. I got 700s at $12, 25 shares at 14. Yeah, Kim, you did the same thing as me. And then when it went down, you're like, oh, damn, right? But we did good, though. Okay, we have another Canadian here. Shamrun _ BOF. I'm also in Canada holding 930 AMC shares. Do you also time configure and rates? Does it matter? Time conversion rates. Also time conversion rate. What do you mean by that, my friend? What do you mean by that? Time conversion rates. Like when you buy the stock, like it's actually worth more because it's American, because the Canadian money is worth less. Like, so when you do make 100 grand, it's actually worth 130. Is that what you mean? Because yeah. So when I make $1 million, it's actually 300. It's $1,300,000, right? Is that what you mean? No, the new guy's not messing. No, the new guy is not messing with me. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I didn't know. I'd never heard of it before. Ricky, you're in Canada too. Well. Okay, hey guys, let's do a roll call here. Roll call. Where are you guys all from? Let's do a call here. Everybody. There's 63 of you on here right now. Let's see where I'm from. I'm from Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Where are you all from? Let's see where we all are at today. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, North Carolina, Columbus, Ohio. Holy crap. Fresco, CA, California, Pittsburgh, Idaho, Jacksonville, Florida, Massachusetts. Wow. Matt could use super chats to buy more shares, raising RNC prices. He could, Kim. I don't know. Matt's kind of different fellow, man. I don't know. Florida, Connecticut, Montreal. Oh, Montreal, Mississippi, Ontario, Canada. Yeah, right on. We got a bunch of, holy crap, we got people, Dallas. Wow, this channel has got a lot of different feel, a lot of positive energy coming on here, man. Look at that. That's crazy. I had to slow the super chats down, guys. I'm still going through them. Ontario, Jeff, yeah. Connecticut, Montreal, oh, Mississippi, wow. Some of you guys are a long ways from here. Denver, Illinois, Brooklyn, New York. Yeah, Tumble Ridge, Connecticut, New York. Sorry for autocorrect, it's okay. Dallas, Florida, Sacramento, Zapocaton. Oh, whoa, I lost control. There's so many people coming on here right now. Vancouver, BC, we got another Vancouver night here. We're going to have to go for some drinks, my friend. Oklahoma, Indiana, South Carolina. I'm actually in Mission. That's where I am. The other Vancouver night. You'll know where that is if you're from here. Apes worldwide, go apes. Yeah. Jeanette, Dixon. Yes, we got apes from all over the friggin' world on here. Holy crap. Raphael, Quebec, Montreal. I've used to live in Vancouver as well. West End. Oh, right on. From Mars. There you go. I was waiting for one from Mars. I was waiting for somebody to say Pluto too. Australia? Wow. Holy crap, man. Wow. That's dope, guys. Thank you. Thanks for the roll call. That's cool. Right on. Right on. Thanks, guys. That's pretty neat. Right on. So I guess you're all on different time zones. So when I get up and I'm broadcasting at 6:25 Pacific Standard Time, some of you guys, it's like New Mexico. Wow. I go to Tulum. That's where I go. That's where I usually have my From the moon. I knew somebody said Raphael. A DM. Right on, guys. That's cool. Yeah, I go to Tulum. That's where we usually have parties down there, eh? And we were gonna have one for the channel. A bunch of us were gonna go to Mexico and rent a section of the resort, and everybody's welcome. You pay for your own plane ticket down there. It's kind of like 8 Fest. I'm joking. It's not like 8 Fest, not like that. But yeah, no doubt we will be on the moon for sure. We'll be from the moon, no doubt. Yeah, Monty, Tulum is where we usually go. So after the squeeze, we're going to be having a party. We're going to be renting a section of the resort down in Tulum, Prince Pele, if you know where that is. And I should do super chats. My chat wall is too slow for super chats because I always talk to all of you. People against super chat because people abuse it. That's why I might do super chats maybe in a couple months, but I'm gonna be selling merch, guys, on here. Some cool stuff. You just gotta wait another couple more months. I got some cool shirts. You know our Wolfpack logo where it says CS Trades 101? Well, it's going to say CS Trades, it's going to say Wolfpack on the top with that emblem. CS Trades 101 along the bottom, and the long sleeve shirts are going to have paw marks up with cut marks in the mollow at the sleeves, and it says World's Best Traders on the back. They're pretty cool shirts and coffee cups and all that stuff. Okay? You're going to be able to get that stuff. My friend, good luck. No, I'm not into super... Dude, we would have done super chats a long time ago on here. But, no, but we are selling merch, though. And if you want to buy shirts and stuff like that, you can. But that's up to you. No pressure. No pressure, right? And I'm doing that for giveaways, too, on the channel. Right? And all that stuff will be... and when this does squeeze, we're going to be doing giveaways here for animal, into the animal, like dogs and cats, like at cat and dog sanctuaries where the animals, shelters. We're going to be filling the back of my truck up, my Dodge Ram Sport. And we're going to be filling up half full of cat food, half full of dog food. We're going to be doing live on GoPro. And I've already talked about this before. We're going to be doing giveaways, cat food and stuff. We're going to be going around to all the places where, and that's what I'm doing. That's my giveaway back to society. Sorry, it's not going back to people. It's going to animals. They don't have a say in what happens. And since this COVID thing's ending, well, it isn't actually. I should say the variants are coming along and it's hitting everybody. But I'm saying that when it gets near the end, a lot of people are just having cats and dogs as a companion. And a lot of them are getting pushed aside, right? I'm seeing it. It's all over the place. Warren, right on. But I said I'll be on in the morning, and just PayPal them. We do have a PayPal tip jar though. That's up to you. I'm not asking for. It's all good. We don't do Patreon either. We don't do Patreon. But I do have a tip thing set up, but it is what it is, guys. And that would just strictly go back into buying stocks again. I would be doing live buy stocks with it. But you guys would just buy your own stock. But I'm okay. I got money. I'm okay, guys. I don't need that stuff. But it's up to you. You do is whatever you want. But like I said, I will be if you want to support our local shirts on when you're doing we're going to be building we're going to be making a documentary, and we're going to be doing Zoom meetings. I've already mentioned that. You've probably seen it on the videos. We're going to be doing Zoom meetings on here with the live chats and stuff. And we're going to be doing a documentary probably about a year after. And it's going to be only subs. It's not going to be like the Mulligan Brothers. It's not like that, right? It's going to be something, I think, better than that. It's going to take a while to edit it because it's just me doing it. And I'm going to have to hire somebody, obviously, with a professional background. But it's going to be a pretty cool documentary, and you guys are all going to be in it. All the subs are going to, not all of, but the ones that want to participate are going to be in it. I think it's going to be pretty cool. What do you guys think? Tell me what you think of that. Something happened. Did my internet link just die on us? Did it? Oh no, okay. Good ideas. Okay, good. Kevin. Okay, Kevin Young. I thought something just happened here because I just had a big lag here. I don't know what happened. Hey brother. Right on. 6MT. What's up, brother? How you doing? We got an OG on here. There's a bunch of OGs on here. Oh, AFs. Original Wolves. I came up with that one today. It's kind of gay, but I was thinking about when I was camping. I was thinking everybody always says original apes. Yes. David. Yes. Willis. David Willis. You like that? Okay. So yeah, we'll get some shirts and cool shit out like that out to you guys. Some cool traders shirts and some sweatshirts and stuff for the winter. And then I'll get ones that will have Wolfpack on the back, AMC squeeze, right? We'll get some cool stuff. Okay, Judy. Just hang on. Sounds cool to me. Question. This is all new to some of us, which is fine. How can all the shares be covered so we don't get left without holding the bag? That's up to you. When you sell them, you got to pay attention. So, I'm going to be sending out a podcast, 2 of them, when we're in the squeeze, and you just got to pay attention to it. Log on to the channel. I'm on it. I'll be on every morning at 6:25 Pacific Standard Time in the morning. So I will be doing my selling live, and I know I'm going to get flack from some people the way I'm doing it, but that is just how it is, right? I'm doing it for my own personal gains, and if people don't like it, that's their problem. It's not their money, right? And I think everybody should feel the same. Don't take any pressure from anybody else. You know what your bills are. You know what it's like. It is going to be going up lots, though. It's going to be climbing very high. I'd watch what you're doing. Yeah, you just got to pay attention. And if you're a new trader, that's fine. There's a lot of new traders on here, okay? Like I said, I've been doing this for years and years, okay? But I've never been through something like this. This is totally different. But I've done a lot of research and I'm prepared. I'm very confident in this, okay? I'm very confident. I think we're going to have a fight on our hands. I think they're going to go through a lot of breakers that are going to be broke. Like, we're going to click a lot of breakers off, volatility breakers for sure. There's going to be a couple cool down periods that we're going to have to go through. It's going to be a little bit of stress, but I think we got it, guys. I think we got it, okay? And I'm selling whatever Kenny G saw. Johnny F, what's up, bro? Oh, man, you guys are nuts. You guys are friggin' nuts. How much will the praise be jumping to? Let us know. We are in. Let us know. Yeah, not a Monty. It's all good. I'll be covering it live. I'll be covering it live. And if something goes wrong with the internet, I got backup on my phone. By then, I'm allowed to do live chats on my phone. I'm just waiting for another 1,000 hours of viewing, and YouTube unlocks another feature for me. And I'm allowed to actually go on my phone because now they won't let me because I don't have enough hour viewed time on my channel yet. But I will pretty soon. It's just climbing fast. How long do you think the squeeze will last? The Volkswagen squeeze lasted a week. Okay, and that was I think. Well, there's going to be when it opens. It's going to go up like this and down. I think it could last. I think about a week and a half, right? And there's going to be people holding the bag, thinking it's going to go to 500,000, and they're going to be holding nothing at the end. Okay, just put it that way. You don't want to be too greedy. That's all I'm saying, dude. Oh man, you'll screw yourself. Yeah. I'll be broadcasting it. Okay, guys. I'll be selling and just tag along. Just watch. Just watch as a viewer, and that's up to you guys what you do. I'll be doing all my selling, and I'll be telling you how much money I'm making and how much on my phone, like I always have. I was airing it when I was at $160,000 on my phone. I was showing people, and I was showing them every day. I just lost 20 grand. I just lost another 20 grand. I lost 5 grand. Look at this, guys, how fast I'm losing money. Did I sell yet? No. See? So, yeah. So we don't even know if half the YouTubers sold. The ones that said they had all this money. I haven't seen any of them broadcast their portfolios in a while. What if Robinhood takes the buy button? Kim, are you on Robinhood? Takes away the buy button. They could mess with the buy, yeah, because there's no shares for sale. Like to buy more? I don't know, or the sell. You did say buy. Are you with Robinhood? If you are, you are. There's nothing you can really do about it, Kim. But if it was me, I'd be trying to buy as much as I can now. If it was me, though, I can't tell you what to do. But they're going to have FOMO happening big time on that stock. I think that it could... Hey, brother, how you doing? Thank you. Thank you very much, man. Pawn, what's up, bro? Yeah, that's what I said, FOMO. It's going to... yes, I'm still on Robinhood for now. That's okay, Kim. Just chill, okay? You, like I said to all my other subs and yourself, be careful what you do trading platforms right now, because we cannot predict a squeeze. If I gotta word this correctly, because somebody thought I said there'd be a squeeze tomorrow, and I never said that. Okay, I'd never say that. I said if it goes into a squeeze and you have your shares in limbo, you screwed yourself. Okay, they're gonna stall those right till the end. And Kim, that's okay. So just hang on. And I can't guarantee. Robin is very shisty. Look what they just did to their new stock. Right? After the IPO said he wouldn't do something, he went and did it. He sold his company out. Did something with... Because I don't pay that much detail to him. He did something that he said he'd never do to his company, and he sold something on it and liquidated something. Hey, what's this? Workhorse. Mark Dan. What's up, brother? Berkshire Hathaway. Yeah, you don't. Pawn, if you had to choose which real estate or stock if you had to choose question mark, real estate or stock investing. Well, I already own real estate, and I'm buying some more real estate. I would, if it was me, very clear on that. If it was me, afterwards, because I would stay on what I'm investing now. I would go into dividend stocks, and that's what I'm going to be doing, and then some real estate too. And I'll be doing all that live. I'll be going out and buying a piece of property live. But yeah, so I forgot to give you a like here. You go for the 70th. Oh, thanks, brother. Thanks for the like. I appreciate it. You got 71. Thanks, guys. That's a lot. That's pretty cool, man. Thanks, guys. You guys have smashed this channel to the algorithms, like to the stratosphere. I don't even know what my channel's at. It was growing 50 subs an hour. I don't even know. Thanks, guys. I can see it going up right now on the likes. I love you guys. You guys are fucking awesome. I seriously do. Okay? Oh, they're climbing like hotcakes. Thanks, guys. Whoa, look at the numbers. Look at the likes going up. Thanks, guys. Oh, man, you got me blushing over here. Sorry, man. You're making this creator happy. So, anyways, I don't even know. Like I said, the channel's growing so fast right now, I can't even keep track. I don't even know what it's at right now, guys. I'm just blowing away. I'm just keeping the good content coming out there. I'm trying to be very, very real for you guys and answer all the questions. But some of the questions are very hard for me to answer, and I really want to tell you the answers, but I can't legally do it. The channel will just disappear, okay? Because they'll take it down, and I'll be in jail for years. Here, your relatives will be calling asking for money. Yeah, they know me better than that. They know me better than that. I'm a very hard personality to confront and talk to. You guys just know me as of off a YouTube channel. Yeah, I don't know about that one. I have a very strong personality. Like I already have. You go back into my videos, and I don't brag at all. Like it's not bragging, right? And one guy came on, you're bragging, showing all your new stuff. No, I'm not. I'm showing you what you can do if you properly invest, right? So, and I'm very transparent on that. The day after the Super Bowl, yeah. Leon the Lion, he owns a substantial. There's a couple of you guys. One guy owns a whack on here too, Leon. When it was $6, yeah, you smashed that. That's crazy. I wish I would have bought on that dip, and that's another thing. Oh, thanks guys. The likes keep on going crazy. You guys are crazy, man. Thank you so much. Bart, how you doing? Bart, BS. Is that BS or is that Bart Sears? I don't understand. Did I say something you don't like? People always be halting. Hating. Oh, hating. Sorry, my eyes are going. Hating. I know, Pawn. I know. It just that there is people, and we gotta all stick together on this, guys, because it only takes a couple people to ruin it for all of us, right? Not a problem, Matt. Not a problem. Yeah. Guys, I'm helping my families. Hey, you guys tell me what you're gonna do. Let's play a little fantasy game here. It's called, actually, I don't call it that. I call it power of attraction. A lot of wealthy people do it. It's called the power of attraction. I sit there and do it too, and everything I have has come true, to some degree. And I sit there and you put positive energy. However, the pillars of success. Have you guys ever read The Ring? Any of that kind of stuff? Tell me what you guys are doing with your money when you get paid. I'm buying dividend stocks, and I'm going to buy myself a new Dodge Ram, buy myself a new Dodge Power Wagon, and I'm going to buy myself or my wife a brand new Toyota truck, fully loaded with 33s on it, and the rest is going into stocks, and that's only going to cost me 150 grand. The millions is going into stocks. So that's me. Ranger 1444, how you doing, brother? Welcome to the channel. Retiring and paying off my parents. Oh, cool, Pawn. That's awesome. Kim? Yeah, Lambo. Oh, that's the word. Yeah, good call, Kim. Solid move. That's just crazy. You know how much the insurance is on that? And the taxes? Oh my God. Hey brother, all you can Hawaii Puna TV. Do you have a channel, YouTube channel? How much taxes? Is 37%, my friend, in most states. I don't know where you're from. Hawaii, I take it, right? Just Google it or call Revenue, the United Revenue Agency. They'll tell you. It's a big chunk. That's why most of us are putting our money into dividend stocks. But there's ways around, I wouldn't say around it, but there's ways that you can tax break it. You just got to research it. What event could trigger the squeeze and we could support that? The new laws coming in will trigger the squeeze. If they do a buyback, we're going to squeeze within minutes. If they ask for a buyback, that'll trigger a squeeze within minutes. Adobe making machine and print super low cost affordable house for rent. Oh, you guys are awesome. in dividend stocks. Big Sal, good. Good, that's a good one. Yeah, that's what I'm doing too. Yeah, because they can't make synthetics on a dividend stock. You know that, right? I'm going to buy a construction business. Oh, cool. You guys, you guys are fucking smart, man. I haven't heard one fucking Lambo on here. Philippines, yeah, cool, Kevin. Philippines to help my family's family. Oh, Filipino, they're good people, man. Pay off my house in debt and build a log house in Montana. Oh, it's beautiful. Nice hunting there, my friend. Real estate and dividend stocks after that. I hear a lot of smart dividend stocks. We got a good group of people here. And if you guys don't know what dividend stocks, you just ask, okay? I'll educate you on that. And we do a lot of that on dividends. Okay. In your opinion, what is the squeeze going to look like? Thanks from WPG. Is that Winnipeg? I'm taking it, Matt. What's it going to look like? Very violent. It's going to move in $1,500 segments in per candle. Is that what you mean? And I can't go over prices. It's going to be very high. You guys on the chat bar, you throw numbers at them because I can't legally do that. When I knew it was Winnipeg, there's so many abbreviations. Another Canadian on here. Cool, brother. The price of your real estate's going up high too, eh? Like I'm in Vancouver, right? So, well, outskirts of Vancouver, but I'm buying dividend stocks, using that to pay out my mortgage. Once that is done, build a home and rent. Wow, fucking brainiacs on here, man. You guys are all friggin'. Matt, guys, answer them. There you guys go. You're getting some numbers close right there. I can't tell you guys, man. I can't. I legally can't. So I guess technically you're gonna sell around the. Ha! Somebody just nailed it. Was insane. Yeah, you're pretty close there, my friend. You guys are pretty smart. I didn't say nothing. Hey, honey. Yeah. There's nothing. I'm good.
Did you get something to drink?
There is none.
I have an ounce of vodka left for you.
Yeah, I'll have a drink. Thank you, my love. We got people all over. We got 57 people on here. People from all over the world. My what?
And I'm gonna be smoking butts. I took butts out of your mom's ashtray. I just want you to know.
That's funny. You're funny.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Today's last day I took butts. Shut up.
I love you, honey. I love ya. Okay, I heard Blackpool is already at. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's at 9,000 and a little bit more. That's the Blackpool price. We're gonna trigger the Blackpool price. Yes, I can talk about that stuff. Yes, I can, Kim. The Blackpool price. I did a video on it, and somebody came out with $8,010. I came out with $8,056 when I figured it out, and I can't even figure it out now because the numbers have all changed. But it is about 9, maybe in some little bit of chump change there. Will it match the Blackpool prices? It could. Yeah, it could for sure. I think you're beautiful.
Mosquito bites everywhere.
Oh, yeah, you did get bit by mosquitoes. Thanks, baby cakes. My wife got nailed by mosquitoes. Yep. So, okay. Yeah, we just got nailed by mosquitoes out there where we were camping. It was crazy. Okay, Okay, okay. Where can you find evidence of the dark pool pricing? You're gonna have to look around the tubers and stuff, guys. I had a little bit of it. You're gonna have to. Who's the guy that covers it all? Where I got my information from. Give me a second, guys. I don't like really covering other YouTubers. Finance Wizard. There you guys go. Go check out Finance Wizard. He has some stuff on there. Or Lou. Yep, Lou. Lou has it. He doesn't really cover it that much anymore, but you can. He's kind of stepping away from AMC. It's because he already knows what the end number is, right? He's running out of content. Like he covers the same stuff, but he's already, he's he's crazy. That's all I got to say. I love the guy, man. Eight beer mugs and something that once is said to have been done should have said it to KG at Citadel. Souvenirs. Yes. AG. How you doing, brother? You're new to the... No, yeah, you're new. You're not on here before. AJA? Is this the reason they haven't covered it is because they are betting that COVID will come back for full swing and... Hey, buddy, if COVID bug comes back for a full swing and shuts things down, they're going to put another stimulus money in there, and it's going to fucking... Oh, buddy. More people are going to buy back in the stock market. Oh, man, they're going to have big problems then. Yes. Daniel, yes. Daniel B, yes. Yes, it's tightening like a band. It's tightening up right now, and it's just getting tighter and tighter. Okay? Woo, Mike P. Yeah, Matt, it could, guys. Bro, you're back. Yeah, I am. I made it through the camping trip. Once in a while, you'll see me just pop up out of the blue, do a podcast. Well, what it was is I shot a video for you guys, right? It was 1 minute and 30 seconds, and I shot one out camping. You know how long that... Uh-oh. YouTube is not receiving enough video maintenance. Maintain smooth streaming. Okay, we're getting problems here. Poor quality. Okay, guys, if I lose you, the channel might go down. We're getting a bad feed right now from YouTube. Yeah, here we go. Shit. If the channel dies, I'm going to see you here tomorrow morning. Okay? It's having problems. My channel's just buffering or having internet problems here. Okay, bye. We're gonna carry on here. You might have shitty quality coming through, guys, but we're gonna continue. It's saying that it's having problems right now. Okay, it is what it is. So if it dies, guys, I'm just gonna shut the stream down, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I'll be here at 6:25, but we're gonna keep on continuing. It's just that YouTube, it corrected itself. Okay, so I'll start reading right now. Yeah, I made it back from camp and I shot a video for you guys. I sat in my truck an hour and a half for a minute and 10-second video. I sat an hour and a half with one bar waiting for it to download for you guys. And I drank half a 2-6er waiting for you guys. But I got the video out there, guys, and then I shot another one when I came back. But then I was thinking, I gotta get this out here for you guys. So, we're having bad video quality again. Ranger, thanks, brother. Yes, pawn. Yes, it will. Yes, it's gonna slam up and down. They're gonna try shaking us. Yes, it could go up there. I don't think it will go maybe down that low, but I could see it going up to 200, back down to 50, 60 again. I could definitely see that twice before it goes to the moon. I could definitely see that. It's gonna be messed up, guys. Like, you're gonna have to be paying attention. Okay, guys. Sorry, I'm looking at the screen. I should pay more attention to you guys. I'm sorry, but yeah. So it's gonna be violent, right? Like I said, I got your back. My internet's been acting up for the last couple days, but it is what it is. Okay, Matt, how long after the squeeze starts will, in your opinion, it take to 5K? I don't know, my friend. I don't know, because no squeeze has been recorded in history like this with this many shares out there, my friend. The Volkswagen squeeze, I don't even know the statistics on the shares. I tried finding that for you guys, but I can't. No, GME has not squeezed yet. That was a gamma. That was not a full squeeze. That did not squeeze yet. That was just a gamma. We almost hit it. We hit a tail of a gamma in AMC until Aaron dumped those 70 million shares and killed it. You guys caught that on the chat bar, didn't you? So yeah. Sorry, I'm just friggin' YouTube. Why is it doing that? You're supposed to have better service at night. So guys, what will get higher? GME, AMC, for sure. Almost 100% positive on that. That's just a speculation on my part. Okay, that's not financial advice at all on that. I just got to say that because somebody can take that the wrong way. No, they can't cover it in one day. No, there's too many shares to cover, guys. No, it's the same as us. All the hedge funds are not going to cover in one day, same as we're not all going to sell in one day. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's going to be in different segments, right? Some are going to be holding, thinking it's not going to go that high. They're going to be, some of the hedgies are going to be holding till the friggin' end. Some have more money than others, right? So we do need to go to Pluto. We do, guys. Bear with me. Just stick on the channel for a bit, guys. I know you're not guys aren't going anywhere. You guys can chat for a second. I just gotta go. I'm just gonna go into my. I got a whole bunch of messages in Twitter. I'm just gonna check because sometimes there's good information in there I can bring up to you guys. Okay. Just I get state of the art news in there. Okay. Just let me check. Just let me check some of my inboxes. Okay. Because if there's some good stuff in there, we can get some first-hand news, guys. And you guys, you should go over to I'm not telling you what to do, but Wall Street Breakers on Reddit. You should go join it, man. It's awesome. And there's a Discord too. We're affiliated with that channel. You guys know that. Go over and talk to the PVPI is the mod there. Brilliant guy, man. You'll treat you with VIP service over there. Really good channel. Awesome guy, man. Like, just tell him you're from the Wolf Pack. CS Trades 101. Okay, it's the label's right up on my right above my camera, right above me right now. And no, I'm not getting sponsored by him. It's just we're affiliated with him. Tight like a tiger. Could the government label all apes terrorists? And no. Audio Plug Records. What's good, brother? How you doing, man? Welcome to the channel. I've never seen you here before. And thanks, guys, to the new guys that are on the channel. I like saying it out of respect. Thanks for all the subs and the like buttons, man. Thanks for all the likes on all the videos, guys. You put this friggin' thing on Pluto, this channel. Okay, I'm just going to check Twitter again here, guys, for you. Just give me a second. You guys can chat. Go ahead and chat between yourselves if you want to talk a bit. I'm just jumping over here to just check stuff for you guys so we can get the latest news, because sometimes I get new news. Holy shit. Wow. You fucking kidding me? Wow. Oh, I'm here. How you doing, brother? I'm here. That is a dagger. Okay, good. Our video stream corrected itself. Hello, everybody. No, it's okay. We got a feedback. It's saying excellent connection. I don't know what happened. It just died down, and YouTube was sending me a thing saying that your video quality is it's gonna crash, but it never did. Oh no, here it's doing it again. Shit. I don't know. Whatever. It's all good. If it does, I'm gonna break off the line though. Do you have scheduled for your upcoming podcast? Yes, I do. Every morning at 6:25 Pacific Standard Time, I'm live. Every morning. There's already a posted link on my channel. Just hit the set reminder, guys, and it'll remind you. Andy, what's up? What's up, brother? How you doing? You smoke your doobies, I drink my drinks. I bet you're blazing one right now. Yeah, man. I love that sundial. Andy's a good guy, man. He's been on here for a while. Some of you have. So I get to know you guys. So... Steve, what's up, brother? What's up? What's up? Some of you guys are... It's late. It's late where you guys are from. Well, last time, what were we on? 11 o'clock at night. I'm not staying on that late. I'm going to stay on about another 20 minutes, guys. And then I'm going to get off here because I just got home from camping, and all I wanted to do was get on here and say thanks for the subs, guys, and all that stuff. And then you know me. The cows chew. Andy, you're awesome. So I want to come on here and just tell you guys, but you know, once you guys get me talking, you know how I am. Right? And I don't mind. That's why I built the channel. It's 10:23 there. It's 8:23 here. $9:20 there. I laugh at cows chewing. I know. Do you think Lou got sued also? He's kind of stopped talking about the market. Pawn? I don't know, but something's kind of changed in him. Something, I don't know. I don't think he got sued. No, because he doesn't say anything about it. No, I just think he is... He covers the same content and over, and a lot of tubers are afraid of like, I'm very blunt. If you haven't noticed on my videos, I'm very direct. I don't want to mention any names, but the younger kid YouTubers won't come out and say stuff. They're like, oh, you can't talk about that stuff. Me, I don't give a flying shit sometimes, right? I'll come out and tell it because I know it's true. But if it's not true, I'm like, oh... Do I go through a TSA, a tax-free savings account? Yes, I do, and I didn't buy my AMC through one. I'm kicking myself in the butt for it. I do recommend it to anybody else. Yes, it's a good way to get a tax break, even unchanged username. I know, Johnny F. I know. I don't know, and I'm president I don't know. I kind of haven't had a time to. I was gonna write him an email, and actually engage in a conversation with him. Like a couple weeks ago, we were talking to him live on a Twitter account here, but oh, there you go. That's why. There you go. That's why. Janet nailed it right there. That's why, guys. That's 100% why. Oh, fuck. That's a breach of probation right there, guys. Yep, that's it. You nailed it. There you go. Janet answered your, that's definitely why, guys. 100%. And no disrespect to the guy, man. He's been fighting the system for a long time, guys. He's on a bogus charge, I heard. Hey, Cam. Yes, Andy. What's up? Okay, Lou got some legal issues he's been dealing with, I think, beyond the scenes from the past. Yeah, he does, brother. And I think he's... I'm not going to talk. Never mind, I'm going to shut my mouth. That's his business. I'm not going to get into it. He can tell you guys if he wants to. I just know some shit that I don't talk about people behind their backs. It's nothing. It's good for him, but he can tell on his broadcast if he wants. I'm just checking some stuff out here. How many more hours till market opens? Hey, one night we should stay awake all night till pre-time. Hey? All of a sudden we're sleeping. All of a sudden the market opens. We go to sleep like 10 minutes after it opens. How many hours? What time is it right now? 1645. Oh yeah, we got a long time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When does pre-market open? When does pre-market open? Just hang on. In like... At 3 in the morning, I think, my time. Yeah, no, 2 in the morning. No, 2:30? No, 3. No, 2:30. 2:30 my time, the market opens. Lou is the homie, man. I have nothing bad to say about him. Steve. Did I ever play an online poker tournament? No, Andy, I haven't. Nope, I never got into it. Never have, my friend. I was playing some Bill, Andy Moore 0.5. What does that mean? What does that mean, 0.5? What the fuck does that mean, Andy? What does that mean? Thanks, Bill. Sorry, I didn't catch that. 8 till 12. Oh, okay. But, yeah, no, I haven't. I asked you. Sorry, I'm lost here, buddy. I've had a couple drinks here. Just, whoa. No problem. Okay. Just give me a minute. Sorry, guys. Oh, Andy, what do you think this week? Oh, sorry, chances of a squeeze 1 to 10. Not 0. Sorry, 0. Sorry, Andy. I missed that question way up there. I don't know, my friend. This week. Oh, actually, tomorrow's the earning call for AMC. Chance of a squeeze this week, yeah. I don't know. The earning call will probably kick it a bit, But what they're doing is redirecting these orders still, man. We're kind of screwed right now until they put those laws in, until something happens. I don't know. I really can't say until that morning opens up, that morning market opens up, until I get a little bit of a glance at that morning market. In the morning, I might have a better idea, like just at 6:25 or 5 in the morning when I get up. See, the skin can kick after hours too, guys. Gamma squeezes have kicked in after hours. No, it won't take another year, man. No. Can I explain a tax-free savings account? A tax-free savings account, you don't pay the taxes on it until you pull the money out. Okay? It's a tax break. It's for retirement. That's pretty much it, man. It's just that, yeah, you don't pay taxes on it. It's a tax exemption. You're exempt from paying taxes on it. Hey, what are your brackets when the squeezes? Zoom man. When the laws change, guys, when those laws come in, I'm just going back to some people I missed on. Andy Moore, give us some hope. Give us some hope. Give us some hope. I am, man. I make some videos. I give you everything I can. Pawn, are they going to let you come ever back to the States? Nope. I'm banned for life, guys. I'll never be allowed in the States. I'll never be allowed in the States. Same as Andy can't come to Canada. Andy can't come to Canada. Hey, we can swap IDs. Andy, you can come to Canada. I'll go to the States. No, I can't go. Drinking and driving offense when I was younger. And I've tried, and even with a pardon, they won't. It's your government, man. My communist government, they're not, but they pretty much are. Same thing. If you have a free, what's up, Freeman? What's up? No, but I can meet you guys in Mexico, like we talked about. What's the Euro market? AMC closed today? Is it? Oh, yeah, because it would have already opened today. I don't know anything about that. Anyone has a secret connection, but it's all BS. Aw. Roth IRA. Blue Ocean. What the fuck? FUD free zone here. Oh, yeah. What's Bill? What's going on? What are you doing, Bill? What's going on there, Bill? I didn't say the squeeze was not going to happen. I just said because I'm telling you it's going to happen later than what it determines the FUD. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, Justin Bieber did it and wasn't sent out of Canada. Yeah, but look how many millions of guys. Hey, when I get my $1 million, maybe it would be the money that could do it. He's a celebrity, bro. I'm not a celebrity. Well, someone... howdy. Right on. Hey, how's it going? How's it going? Welcome to the channel. I haven't seen you before. Welcome. We're all getting crazy on here now. We're all getting crazy, guys. Somebody, Z-Man. Somebody's gonna have to answer him. I can't give praise, guys. You guys know what my price is roughly. I legally, if I was on Pluto, and I had one of those hi-fi phones. Garage soon. It's up past my bedtime. Is it? It's past mine too. It is, but it's all good. And yeah, you guys are around this rate mark. Hey, Bill, when it happens, we'll tell you. There'll be a podcast going out, my friend. It's all good. Hey, everybody's allowed to have their, let's guess, you think it's going to be tomorrow? No. No. 4 coughs. Oh my God, guys. Oh, my throat's hurting from coughing so much. You guys already went through this. I already know, guys. Just look at Warren's number. There you go. Warren's talking some good language right there. His last comment. Yeah, I don't know, Harry. With this AMC thing out, I think it might get a bit of a kick. But last time that we had earning call, it didn't do nothing. Okay, so I'm not. That's why I'm joking around, laughing because I personally, I think I'm sticking to my grounds. I think that as soon as these laws come in effect and they're on their 4th stage, they're going in front of a judge. As soon as those get passed, the president signs or the president's council signs it. The next day, it's law. Things are going to start happening within a week or so after. Okay, that's exactly. You know what I mean? That's just how it is, right? That's what I think. I think that we got ourselves in they got us so fucked up right now that they got themselves against a wall, but we're dealing with the 1%ers. They own all the money in the world. They have unlimited lines of credit. They own all the skyscrapers in fucking New York, Chicago. They have unlimited money, man. We do not even know. We can't fathom. They own the stock market. This is not our stock market. We are guests here, man. Like, it's true. We own fractional shares of the stock market, okay? They are so entwound with this. This is generations upon generations upon generations of hedge funds, okay? It's huge. It's huge. What's up, dude? Thanks, brother. New sub. Thanks, brother. Jace33, welcome to the channel. Oh, buddy, I'll be in surgery with my mom. Aw. Well, I hope you're good on your surgery or your mom's surgery, right? Do you think there'll be a share recall? If there is, it will kick a squeeze. I'm almost positive on that. Pay the gas then. Yeah, I think that if they have a recall, I think that's going to cause a lot of problems, right? The Big Short. Hey, Bill, The Big Short was a good show, man. That's a good short. That is a good show. The Big Short was a good movie, man. And yes, I do recommend, if you guys haven't seen it, you should watch it. It is educational, yep. Kevin, you do have some factual information there. They did just do a ceiling, the ceiling on they just did a ceiling test, and you know what I'm talking about. For the money, the cap on the money for the U.S. economy, and that just went in, didn't it? What's that about? AMC 02924. I don't know, guys. Anis. I don't know. Guys, tell me about that. What is that? What is the AMC 0924? What the hell does that mean? What's that about? Somebody's asking about that. What is that? JT13, I'll ask you in a second. I want to know what's going on here. Brandon, no. Call options. You're going to lose all your money. That's up to you, buddy. I can't tell you what to do, but fuck, I'd watch myself. I would watch myself on that. You could lose your shirt, dude. Trust me. There's people on this channel have lost lots of money on this. Not maybe on this chat bar, but on the channel. Was somebody giving their phone number out now? I'm just joking. No, but what does that mean, though? Guys, does anybody know what that AMC 0924 is? I never even heard that. What is it? Where'd you hear that? Anyways, who was it that asked that question? Anis? Where'd you hear that? Like, was that on Twitter or something? The DTCC is insured. They do have enough money to pay us. Yes, they do. Tyrone Hunter is right. I would not be doing options if it was me. Yes. Okay, Kevin Young is in the futures market. Some believe it is where the shorts are already covered. What? Oh. Check it out, Main Street Capital. Can't wait to get paid, huh? J13, yeah, no shit. Main Street Capital, Twitter. I'll have to look into that. That's interesting. That's interesting. I know. Wow, you got a big chunk of shares too. Holy shit. Forex trade. Check it out. Yeah, I will. No, I will check it out. Okay, what's it called? Capital Twitter? Okay, what's this called? Main Street Capital. I'm on it right now, guys. You guys chat. I'm checking it out. Okay, I'm on it right now. What? It didn't come up. What the fuck's going on here? What's going on? Oh. Main Street Capital, right here. Well, there's two of them. Okay, where Main Street? Oh, street. Okay, you spelled it like that. Okay, this one then. Main Street Capital, 3,819 followers. So it's just somebody, it's just some person. It's just some person. Supporting the empowerment of investors. I'm not financial advisor. Oh, it's just somebody. Okay, just give me a second. Just wait, guys. I'm doing my DD. I'm digging right now. Okay, there's some information on dark pool. This guy's got some dark pool information here if you guys want to check his channel out. You guys were asking questions on that. he's supporting Matt Coors, Trey's Trade, Mask Investor. Okay, he's investing. He's supporting all of those guys. I don't know. I don't know about this, my friend. I think it's pretty fuddy. I don't know, man. I don't know. You can take that as far as you want on that. He's just a normal guy. Just as soon as I read financial advice, it's not like he's government or anything. Yeah, I don't know. That's up to you guys to check that out. I can't make a comment on it. I just can't. Sorry. Okay, what do you got on your? It's a forex trade. Trey's. Well, one thing Trey won't show his shares for some reason. He did at the beginning, and now he won't show any of his shares. Remember how he used to? I'm just not questioning. Hey, well, he used to get on there and used to show his shares. He used to come on and show his shares like I did. Oh, these are my shares. This is it. I made over $1 million on YouTube in 6 months. Here's what I made on my merch. Here's what I made on my super chats. Here's all my stock. He hasn't done that in 6 months, ever since he hooked up with Adam Aaron. Trey had to sell his shares for heart surgery. Did he come online and say that? No, he wouldn't have said that live. Holy fuck, he would lose all of his subs if he did that. Hey guys, I don't follow Matt Coors and Trades and Mask and Bet. I don't. And I do follow Lou. But I just don't follow those guys because they don't show their shares, man. They don't. Well, nobody does. If people don't show their shares, I just can't follow them, right? That's me. I'm not telling you what to do. You guys do whatever you want. Right, I'm just telling you that if somebody won't be transparent with me, I can't give them respect back. Okay, that's just how I am, right? High block technology. I heard of high blockchain. Yep, 4 hours, 15 minutes of pre-market, guys. West Coast, yep. Brandon, I don't know how that is. Kim, yeah, nobody, they're not showing them shares, which is kind of weird. And Matt has never showed his shares. As far as I know, I don't know. I'm not shit talking them. No, I don't know the Ape Father. No, I know of him. I just watched his videos about a week ago. Yeah, Warren's right with his military. His surgery would be covered by the military, guys. I know that for a fact. But I'm not saying he didn't sell his shares, though. I know he has a new game chair and a new computer, though. I'm just bugging you guys. And a cat named Titan. Yeah, they do. He's covered for his heart surgery through his work for sure. 100%. I know that for a fact. He's a vet. He's not a vet. He's not a veteran. He's a military, right? Right on. Oh, hey, welcome, guys. I recognize some new people on here. Welcome to the channel, guys. Welcome to the channel. Hattsville, Maryland. Alpha stocks, they're okay, man. They're okay. It's just, I have one question about alpha stocks. The stocks that they always told me to look, that they tell to look at, have all crashed. Sorry guys, but I've watched some of the stocks they've said, oh, invest in this stock and this stock, and I keep them on my watch list, and they're all worth nothing now. Sorry, but they're okay guys though. But I don't I don't know. I gave you a follow. We're all family. It's true, man. We are, Brandon. We're all family on here, man. That's why I don't get into when you guys are slamming people. I just kind of kick back here because... Yeah. I don't know. I know. Like I said, so what about AMC? Harry, I looked up. I can't find anything on it. I looked at that capital thing, and all I see is vote for that stock thing, and on and on about you get your shares counted. I couldn't find anything on it. I get my stock advice from Jim. That's fucking hilarious. Jim Cramer. What a fucking guy, man. I lost a lot when Lou Clove. Oh, Clove. Actually, I couldn't find that video. He mentioned Clove. I think he might have got sued over that, man. Fuck. Clove is... Oh, somebody asked me today on my comment wall about Clove, about being it pumping, and I said, no, dude, it already pumped, and it was a pump and dump. It's gone. That's old news. He's like, what? I think somebody on there, I felt bad. Yeah, like pumping. That was a pump and dump, and it never even went that high. My Delta 8 gummies are kicking in. Ah, that's awesome. Yeah, Kevin, I don't know, man. I haven't seen anything on it. But guys, oh, it's only 9. You got about 10 more minutes with me, and I'm jumping offline, guys. You guys got me. I shot a podcast, and then I rendered it. I put it on all the stream keys on all my platforms, and then I was like, oh, look at all the new subs. I better come on and say hi, right? And then you guys got me talking. How long? How long have we been on here? Oh, fuck, it doesn't even say. Oh, man, for 3 hours? Okay, yeah, 2 hours and 46 minutes. Oh, yeah, I gotta get off here in 10 minutes, guys. You got 12 minutes. When it hits 3 hours on here, I need to get off here. So you guys got me 3 more minutes. Or I mean, for 12 more minutes. Crap. But I will have some more new videos coming out for you. I'm like a friggin' machine, as you guys know. The old subs know, dude. When some shit comes out, I just slam it out, man. Like no repercussions here, just gone, right? And then I'm like, oh, I probably shouldn't have put that out there. Looking at my mail, have any lawyers contacted me yet? I'm just joking. I only put factual information out there. As far as I'll do my DD, make sure it is as real as I can find. I'm just looking through some news right now, guys. I'm still trying to find some new news for you guys. Dude. Hey, what do you guys think of New York Angelo? What do you guys think of that guy? I just bumped in. I never knew about him until the other day. What do you think of him? It's kind of hard for me to understand. He goes on and on and on, but what do you guys think about him? I'm not putting him down. I'm just saying that he has long content. What do you guys think? Good night. Some people are saying good night. You guys have a good night too. To the moon. Didn't learn a damn thing, but I subbed and I liked it anyways. Have a good night, brother. Oh, man. This week, I think they're running out of, I'm just going to go back. They're running out of shit to do. Sundial, I think it's going to go up with the squeeze of AMC. I think it's going to go into a gamma. I can't say how high it's going to go, but you guys, I know you would have bought in max a buck something, right? I think you guys are going to do all right on that. I think you guys are going to do all right. Yeah, guys. Janet, I think that if it was my opinion, I'd focus on one stock. I would. You don't want to spread yourself too thin unless you already got millions of dollars and you're using it for a tax break, and then do whatever you want. But for the average person, if it was me, not financial advice, I would concentrate on one thing. Warren, that could be it. That could be it. But they showed you their shares before. That doesn't make sense. You could be right, Warren, though. But I'm just saying that they used to show their shares before. What's a new tactical? I already answered that. Did you learn a damn thing? Good night, brother. To the moon. Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to read all the comments before I get out of here. We're out. Okay, brother. I like him. Yeah, that's all good, buddy. Yeah, you can like whoever you want, man. I'm not on here to put people down. I gotta go to bed. My wife punched me in the face. I hope it's same squeeze. Right on, brother. You have a good night. He's annoying. I think Angela is cool. He's cool. Yeah, I don't know anything about him. I just ran into his channel. Ranger 1444. You have a good night, brother. Gives him good information, but his thumbnails and his videos are the whacked as hell. Laugh out loud. He stinks, but I just have anything to bring to the table except downtown views on New York. Jabba, yeah. Chris Saint. I haven't seen him. I'm going to have to look him up for you guys. Not a problem. Not a problem, Carlos. You have a good night, too. The system is corrupt, and yes, it is. It's fucked, Sam. It's fucked. Sounds good. Mexico. Yeah. Mexico it is. We're going to have to do some partying. Janet Dixon. I know a Dixon from here. Let's all. We already planned to all meet up. That was the plan. That was our plan months ago on the channel. We're doing live broadcasting on like 100-foot screen right on the stock market, and it's going to be all over. We're doing our documentary down there, guys. Right on, Monty. Good call. And yeah, you guys, Janet and you, Monty, you guys can message me at CS Trades 101. You guys can talk to me on there too. That's my CS Trades 101 gmail.com. You guys can message me on there. Okay, you all have a good night. I'm out of here. What time is it? Yeah, I'm out of here, guys. Okay, love you all. I'm out of here. Peace. I got to get some sleep because I'm up in a couple hours to do pre-market. I know you guys, some of you guys get to sleep in. I got to get up in the morning and do a live broadcast. But you hardcore traders, I'll see you here in the morning at pre-market. Because of Clove. Yeah, that's bad, that Clove, man. Okay. You guys keep it real. Okay? You have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Janet, come join us in the morning. Okay? Take her easy. Okay, Kim. I gotta go, guys.